Wait, please, Lord. Item number 8, man. Just a minute.
Yes,
Item number 8, man.
yes.
Mr. N. Bora, conducting counsel, he's out of station, my lord. On
8 and 9.
8 only.
No, it's fixed with
My
9.
I am mentioning for item number 8, man.
No, it's fixed. It is with 9.
8, man. Yes, my lord.
Sir, it's fixed with 9.
Yes.
Yes. Then 8 is what? Let us see. Eight. 9 also. This is 8. On the prayer of Mr. PJ Secretary, Land Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. N. Bora, Land Council, for the petitioner, you stated to be indisposed, this matter will be listed after 3 weeks. The writ petition, WPC 351/2022 be segregated from this present case, from this case, as the issues are, the matters are completely different.
Lordship, item number 16 and 17, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Today I have filed the affidavit in reply.
16 and 17. Yes.
Filed the affidavit in reply today.
When do you want?
I am appearing on behalf of petitioner. Today I have filed. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks. On the Mr.
Next date may be fixed.
Mr.
B. Kakoti.
B. Kakoti, Land Council, for the petitioner. Petition submits that 16 and 17, huh? Yes, filed the affidavit in reply today. Mr. Howard, same is not tagged with the records. Next, in view, but let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. As spread for does this matter be listed after 2 weeks?
May please, your lordship, this matter may come for order, my lord, after notice of motion on 16 May, not been listed, my lord. Returnable date is over earlier. Next week, am I need?
After 2 weeks.
May please, your lordship. Lordship. That's why I beg to mention item number 11, lordship. 11, lordship.
Yes.
I am for the respondent, my lord, with the consent of the my lord, my learned friend, lordship. It's there, my lord. My lord, can it be accommodated on 24th
On the
or
prayer of
26th?
Learned Council for the parties, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
24 or 25.
Lordship, either 24 or 26.
After 2 weeks.
A date may be given.
Why?
It's a long pending matter. A pending matter long time.
2021, after 2 weeks.
May I please it? My lord, date may be given.
Why?
Respondent did not receive any salary, my lord. And my
After 2
portion
weeks.
also not provincialized.
24.
Yeah, please. I beg to mention item number 7.
7. Yes.
We were direct to bring some instruction regarding the reply, affidavit reply they have filed, my lord. Well, we have not yet received the instruction. So
On the prayer of Mr.
PK Bora, my lord. We have taken the consent of the petitioner.
I have no objection, Lordship.
PK Bora, learned counsel, submits that no instruction has been received, therefore prays for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. 3 weeks. Prayer not been objected to by Mr. So and so, learned counsel going to list this matter after 3 weeks.
Obliged.
My lord, I'm back to mention item number 3, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, item number 3, Lordship, this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
No, this is for referral,
For mediation.
for mediation.
Mediation का नहीं कोई नहीं
You are for petitioner.
Lordship, I am for the petitioner, Lordship. My lord, can it be, Lordship, accommodated in the next week, Lordship?
Next week, on
Lordship.
the prayer of Mr. So and so. Yes, Ali.
Yes, Ali, Lordship.
Learn counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after a week.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 22, a prayer for Passover.
20?
22,
Ah,
a short date may be given, lordship. Short date may be given.
why?
A bit urgent, he's not attending a university, it's been almost 180 days. And my standing counsel is not available because he is sick today.
You are for?
I'm representing SH Sigdar,
Huh.
standing counsel.
On
I'm from
the
the petitioner, sir.
ground that Mr. H.H. Sigdar, learned counsel for the petition is indisposed, Mr.
Edeka.
Learned counsel prays for adjournment of the matter. Praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 18. Lordship, we have to file affidavit in reply, so 2 weeks time may be given.
For filing affidavit,
Reply, your lordship.
reply, okay. On the prayer of Ms.
A. Sharma.
A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. For the 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a matter for admission, your lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship? So I beg to mention for listing a new matter, lordship, for Friday, lordship,
Monday,
Friday,
Monday.
Monday, obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of writ petition, my lord. My lord, yesterday.
After 2 weeks.
No, my lord, it is very urgent matter, my lord. My lord, matter is relating to academic institution, my lord. My lord, this matter.
Regarding what?
Academic institution, my lord.
Huh?
Academic institution, my lord. My lord, matter is
what?
challenging.
Sorry?
Litigation.
What does it mean?
My lord,
How do,
this
what
matter
do,
challenging
how do you
examination-
understand, I mean, how do you know that it is urgent?
My lord, this matter challenging examination center of class 12, my lord, which will be held on 15 to 2026, my lord. So, my lord, tomorrow may be fixed, my lord.
Why? It's a new matter.
Yes, my lord.
15 to?
15 to 2026, my lord.
Ha.
It's examination center, my lord.
When did you file the writ petition?
My lord,
When did you file the writ petition?
yesterday already on file, my lord.
Huh?
Yesterday we have already filed.
Yesterday?
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Tomorrow.
Yes, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
No, it's on 15. 15. Yes, mister? Exam is scheduled from
Uh,
15 to 20.
yes, my lord. 15 to 2026, my lord. Today is 10.
Tomorrow is 12th.
Wait.
12th.
Obliged.
With a concern of my friend lordship, item 26 may kindly taken up on next Tuesday, lordship.
Why?
The he is supposed to appear in this case. He has some difficulty today, lordship. He has just reached now from the owner of lordship. So he said he will difficulty in.
26. When? When?
Any Tuesday, next Tuesday or Monday, whatever date.
On
lordship.
the prayer of Mr. SMT60, learned standing council,
Yes.
elementary education, and the prayer not being
Tuesday,
objected to by
Tuesday, my
Mr.
lord.
BP Bora, learned council, this matter after a week.
On Wednesday, Lord.
After a week.
After we got his award next week.
Same order pass kar lena. Yes,
Lordship, matter be sent for the mediation.
you,
And for, on behalf of B. Bhuya, senior advocate.
you agree?
Yes, Lordship.
Do you agree? Yes, yes, put it. Heard MS so and so learned counsel appearing on behalf of,
Miss B. Bhuya, senior. B. Bhuya, senior.
MSB Bua, learned senior counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. SMT 60 learns standing counsel, elementary education. This next this method is listed for listed to be listed for referral to the mediation listed on the consent of parties. Let this method be referred to mediation. Referred for mediation. List of MS so and so. Or said. Monosir is appointed as mediator. Parties to furnish the documents to the learned mediator within 2 days. List matter on 11/3/2026 for mediation. Thereafter, and the matter be listed after 11/3/2021. Always same or as it, if I know.
I did too. Lordship, in this case, the law has been settled by the Honorable Supreme Court. Now I am covered by this recent judgment. Therefore, if
Lordship, there is no difficulty for mediation, Lordship, whether they are willing for mediation or not.
Lordship, what has happened? Initially, I was recommended by the state level committee, only the notification was not issued. Thereafter, there was divergent views. Some of the judgments said that no notification is required. It is just a formality, therefore it is deemed provincialization as per the act. Some of the judgments said no, it is not an executive order, therefore notification would be required. Now on 4/10/2025, the division bench took up the matter. The division bench observed in our favor that once it is recommended by the state level and district level committee, further scrutiny is not required. They are deemed to be provincialized. Now, though division has passed this observation, no mandamus was there. Therefore, some of the petitioners went to the Supreme Court that though there was a prayer for mandamus, no mandamus was given. It was referred back to the state government with the observation. Now, the Supreme Court says that when the rights were crystallized in the judgment of the division bench, a mandamus should have been there. Therefore, the Supreme Court said that within 3 months, their services and benefits should be provincialized. Now, law stands in this manner. I am squarely covered by this judgment. Now, if I am ready to go for mediation, if they can give me the relief.
No, how do
Lordship, therefore, Lordship, we can try for a mediation. If it is not settled, it will be there.
Mr.
Otherwise, it is settled. Lordship also can.
Then in that case, why the mediation is required?
Yes, Lordship.
Then Lordship.
We'll list after 2 weeks,
Yes.
and you find out that judgment. Okay.
Yes.
Mr. BP Bora, then counsel for the petitioner submits that matter is covered by squarely covered by the order of the
Apex Court.
Honorable Supreme Court.
Lordship, this is the order.
In the case of
Nurul Islam and others.
Nurul Islam versus State
and
of
others
Assam.
versus State of Assam.
Passed in
Civil Appeal number 13802/25. In special leave
you
petition.
just give the
Yeah.
copy of that judgment.
Yeah.
Therefore, matter need not be referred to mediation. MS Arbor learned standing counsel secondary education submits that she may be granted some time to go through the order referred to above, order of the Supreme Court referred to above, referred here in above. Mr. In view of above, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks so as to enable the parties so as to enable MS Barua to go through the order of the Honorable Supreme Court as to whether the present petition is covered by the said judgment.
Along with two more read petition
List along with
9005 oblique 2019,
9005
oblique 2019,
of 2019,
and 7511 2019.
7511 of 2000. You just
Yes, sir.
Deeply obliged.
Should a copy of the judgment be served upon us, Lordship?
yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Deeply obliged.
Deeply.
on.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Refer. Will refer.
This matter cannot be resolved by the mediation.
Why? Cannot be. Cannot be. Huh?
Yes, Lord.
Why?
Because this matter relates to salary and allowances, Lordship.
That can be resolved also. Okay. MS
P. Rekala.
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the matter submits that she is not agreeable to be referred the matter to mediation, which is also accepted by Mr.
G. Sharma.
C. Sharma, London State Council.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of 4 and 5.
Who is 4 and 5?
Mahasau, Education Department, Lordship.
Then Council for respond number 4 and 5. And MS are Borua. State Council, the Standing Council, Secondary Education. In view of above, as agreed to by parties, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Actually, matter pertains to pending salaries of the petitioners.
Can it be referred?
Can take a chance.
Heard Mr.
NZ Chaudhary.
And NZ
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary, learned counsel for petitioner, and Mr. G. Pego, learned standing counsel. Elementary, same order. That's right, so and so, so and so. Who is to be appointed?
Only Lordship.
You just wait. You have to furnish documents to the mediator. Imran Hassan. Third, 30, no, and 11 March.
Only
Huh?
Lordship.
You furnish the copy within 3 days.
Yes, Lordship. Net page, Lordship. Lordship, this matter will pass out for the time being, Lordship.
Why?
A senior is late in another problem. With date, Lordship. Problem in this, date, Lordship.
My lord, at 2, my lord.
Huh?
At 2,
Why 2?
in court number 1, my lord.
Okay, 2. Whatever 9. 9 is segregated.
My lord, may I please, Your Lordship? In this case, my lord, that instruction is sought from the BTC council, my lord,
Hmm.
whether there is, my lord, specific termination order in respect of the petitioner. The petitioner is paying for, my lord, fixed pay salary. Because, my lord, there is no prayer for regulation. They were appointed by the authority, my lord, and fixed pay. That's why, my lord, until termination, my lord, they are entitled.
Yes, BTC.
It is to phone time.
MS N Chaudhary.
Sure is there, your lordship.
Hmm?
Sure is there.
But you are terminated. You have already been terminated.
My
Except
lord,
that
they are saying that.
where is the termination
No
order?
termination order, my lord, no fund.
No, your name is not there, but then there's a order, general order.
My lord, no point of non-termination order was served. That's why, my lord, court asked to furnish if any termination order is there. Termination order পোৱা নাই বুলি কৈছিলে, মোক ফোন কৰিছিলে। Termination order পোৱা নাই, 1 সপ্তাহ time লাগে। And they, my lord, in fact, rang me for Planet Council, my lord, in fact, rang me for praying for 1 week's time because they could not find any termination order. That's why 1 week time they are seeking. Oh.
So what is your prayer?
My lord, prayer only to, my lord, release the fixed pay, my lord. That prayer, my lord, that pays, my lord, 11, my lord. To pay the current as well as area salary.
Current salary of the petitioner as well as area salary.
Prayer for regulation because we are not appointed by due procedure or against the substantive post, my lord. Only we are, my lord, contract labor.
Instruction will receive, lordship. Only 1 week more recommendation, lordship.
Heard, Mr.
See Goswami.
C. Goswami, learn
They
counsel for the
terminate today also, my lord.
petitioners. Next prayer. On the prayer of Mr. BC Musahari, learn state council, learn council, learn standing of BTC. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction
I am
as directed by this court on 08/01/2026. MS so and so. Correspondent 1 and 3 is concerned. Present.
My lordship, one request, my lordship. My lordship, item number 8 and item number 9 is not similar matter, my lordship. So I heard that item number 8 is mentioned already, but item number 9, kindly please taken, my lordship.
When?
Item number 9.
Today.
Not similar matter. I have not mentioned.
We have detected, we have segregated it.
What?
But then when you want that it should be heard today.
I want to today. Want to hear.
Then,
Item number 9.
only that in respect of item 8, huh? 9 will be taken up today.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, item 12.
Item 12, my lordship. I am for the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, as per my lord, Act 2017, my lord. That is, my lord, section 3, subsection 1, and clause 11, my lord, of Assam Educational Provincialization of Service of Research and Reorganization of Educational Institution Act 2017. This petitioner, before your lordship, are entitled to be provincialized, their post. And eventually, my lord, two, my lord, third junior has been provincialized. And that has been, my lord, appeared in the order dated 8/11/2021. Kindly have it, Lord Lordship. Order passed by this coordinate bench of the Supreme Court. 8/11/2021 very clearly appeared the factual background.
Ready? Are you ready?
Earlier record was called for, my lord.
Record already
We have already
appeared.
submitted, that is.
Learned standing elementary had produced the department file on the last occasion. An office
Now
note
today file
indicates
is
the same is kept in the court.
Yeah, good.
However, the department has not been in view of registered to do the, where is, it has been tagged. Record is there. That's it, na?
Now, Lordship, kindly have a look for a moment, the order dated 8/11/2021.
8/11?
8/11/2021, first in this case, my lord, by coordinate bench. And there is a stay, my lord, 8/11/2021. Because
8/11?
8/11/2021.
Ah.
And here, my lord, respondent number 6 and 7 wrongly, my lord, provincialized. I am coming to this order, my lord. In second page, my lord. In respect of NC Kasumara ME Madrasa, middle portion, my lord. Surman Ali Ahmed, a teacher in English language, having been appointed on so-and-so, Hassan Nurul Islam, being a science and mathematics teacher, having been appointed on so-and-so, and Jilarur Rahman being social science, social studies teacher, having been appointed on so-and-so, were provincialized under section 3, subsection 1, clause 11 of Assam Education Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Reorganization of Educational Institution Act 2017, in short, Act 2017, as language, social science and mathematics teacher respectively. Two further teachers were provincialized from the same school, apparently, by invoking the proviso to section 3, subsection 1, clause 11. The two further teachers who were provincialized are respondent number 6, Sheikh Hanifuddin, and respondent number 7, Sunaruddin. Sunaruddin was appointed on 1/3/2010, and Sheikh Hanifuddin was appointed on 21/2006. Whereas the petition number 1, Muhammad Baharul Islam, was appointed on 10/1/1988, and the petition number 2, Muhammad Nur Abdin Mandal, was appointed on 28/3/1993 in the NC Kasumara ME Madrasa. As two additional teachers were not provincialized against any specific subject, and the two petitioners being senior between two teachers who were provincialized, a prima facie case has been made out, because third junior one already been provincialized. And therefore, my lord, this stay order was considering the balance of convenience and irreparable loss that the petition number 1 may suffer further effect of provincialization be not given to the respondent number 6, Sheikh Hanifuddin, and respondent number 7, Sunaruddin, further order. Now, against this order, they also filed application under Article 226, clause 3, my lord. That has not been considered by this court. Now, my lord, I am coming to the factual background of this case. Here, my lord, that already been noted on order dated 8/11/2021. Now, for further convenience of this court, they kindly have a look page 30 in my writ petition. Now, as per provision, my lord, dice court is very much necessary and mandatory requirement since 2009-10. That is page, my lord, 30. Kindly have a look, lordship. Page 330 in my writ petition, the teaching staff details of the school. Here the, my lord, my stand, my lord, here, my lord, my name's shown under serial number 4, Muhammad Baharul Islam, date of joining 1988, and classes of teaching subject, not specifically mentioned which subject. Now, Muhammad Nur Abedin Mandal, he was appointed on 1993, he is also petition number 2. Now Hassan Nurul Islam, 1995, and Sheikh Hanifuddin, respondent number 6 on 2006. He was far junior. And respondent number 6, name has not been enlisted in Dice Code 2019. How he can be provincialized? This is against the Act. Because Act says that to be provincialized, Dice Code is mandatory, my lord. Here, my lord, page.
Both the respondents,
Yes, both the respondent.
they don't have the dice code.
6, respondent number 6, name appear as under serial number 7, Sheikh Hanifuddin. His name appear in the Dice Code 2019. But so far, respondent number 7 is concerned, Shunaruddin, his name is not reflected here. Because during the relevant time, his name was enlisted under Dice Code. Even though
Where is
respondent-
Sonaruddin?
Shunaruddin name not appear
Where?
in
Here.
this, but in the provincialization list, he has been provincialized, my lord. That is,
Who is for the respondents? 6 and 7. 5, 6, 7 is?
5 is the headmaster who is already retired, my lord.
So no issue.
yes, 6 and 7, my lord,
6 and 7 has been
provincialized.
provincialized.
Page 34, my lord. Page 34, respondent number 6, whose name did not appear in the Dice Code. His name appear in the provincialized list, page 34, right side, my lord. Or extreme below, my lord. Shunaruddin, assistant teacher. Extreme below, my lord. Last line.
Who is Sonaruddin?
Last line, say respondent number 7.
Then
His name appear as Shunaruddin. This is the provincial list relevant portion. And Sheikh Hanifuddin name appear under in page number 35.
this is a list of provincialized
Yes,
teachers.
provincial.
You are challenging this.
Yes, this is under challenge. Now in this is privacy.
This
case.
notification is this page 33.
Yes. Page 30.
Appointed provincialized as
Tutor.
tutor.
Yes. This is upper primary school. my lord.
Provisions contained in the education provincial teachers and the provincial services and teacher is one thing.
Now at this moment, my lord, the state respondent submitted file regarding the they're saying that my post has not been well, you affidavit.
Yes, what is your stand?
Well, here, my lord, his name.
What he's saying is, he's senior to both the, they are senior to both the response 6 and 7, right? And this response 6 and 7 doesn't have the dice code, right?
My lord, here, as per
Just
the-
wait.
Well, here, the name of, kindly see, my lord, page 30, my lord.
30.
Lord, Sheikh Hanifuddin name has been reflected at serial number 7, my lord.
Sheikh?
My lord.
Ah.
He is respondent number 6, my lord.
Sonaruddin name is not there, but my lord, kindly see our affidavit, my lord.
Sonaruddin who is where? In this teaching staff details?
Not.
His name is not reflected. Kindly see our affidavit, page 133, my lord.
133. Yes.
Stated the recommendation of DSC against the name of Sonaruddin, respondent 7 could not be traced out in the record. Although his service was provincial as tutor, but his wages has not been released till date, my lord. However, authority has decided to conduct an inquiry in this regard and took necessary action, my lord.
What about the other?
My lord, here regarding petitioner, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. His name has not been recommended by the district scrutiny committee, my lord.
Why?
He,
What is the requirement?
he is teaching Arabic. Only one language teacher can be recommended.
Then,
He is teaching Arabic, my lord.
ha,
Here, my lord.
where you have stated? Ha. Place before joint committee considered after recommending both the committees.
After recommendation of both the committee, the proposal is submitted before the government for creation of post and for sanction above post against NC Kasamura ME School. ME School. Accordingly, the order of provincial service was issued against the above named person as tutor. It is pertinent to mention herein that the name of the petitioners, Bahrul Islam, Arabic teachers, and Muhammad Nur Abedin Mandal, Hindi teachers, was not recommended by DSC. Borpeta, and therefore the state level scrutiny committee as well as the joint committee could not recommend the name of the petition as per provincial service as per the 2017.
So,
First of all, my lord,
how these two, 7 and 7, 6 and 7 appointed, and in which language, which subject?
my lord, that is probably reflect from the record, my lord. Here, my lord, I have that before your lordship, my lord, record is before your lord.
I don't.
Well, I have to go through the records, my lord.
Go through now.
Now, Lordship,
They've been appointed as what?
my lord,
Tutor.
tutor, my lord. Question is, my lord, whether recommended or non-recommended, that was no opportunity was given, and it is being unheard. So it is.
So what is the requirement?
So
what rule
therefore,
there?
it is a pure case of violation of principle of national justice.
Rule says, what is the rule? It's not question of principle of natural justice.
Because, my lord, when
What
recommended.
rule says? What rule says?
The rule, my lord,
Act or rules, whatever.
rule says.
How
my
the
lord,
tutors are appointed?
Section, my lord. Section, my lord, 3, subsection 1, close
Page.
page 11111, my lord. In this book, my lord.
Same. 1 1
1, Lord.
Yes. Where it is?
Close 11, my lord.
In case of venture,
Section 3, subsection 1, clause 11.
At least one teacher each.
Regarding-
license and
In case of venture upper primary school, there shall be minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics, social studies, and C language. Provided that for additional posts, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standard stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25 of the Right of Children of Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. So this says that one additional post also can be provided. So my claim is covered under this clause, my lord.
she's just provided for
Now,
for
my lord,
the
junior
additional
one
post.
being appointed.
Huh?
Junior to teacher already.
Where it does, what does it say that what is additional post?
Yes, additional post, my lord. Here, my lord, as per section 19 of this Right to Children and Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Here, section 19 and 20 for 6th class to 8th class, my lord, B, clause B, section, my lord, here saying specifically 19 and 25. Here saying at least 1 teacher per class, so that there shall be at least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics, social.
It's okay, it's not an issue.
That okay, my lord. But so far other teacher is concerned, at least 1 teacher for every 35 children.
It's all right.
And where admission of children.
See, as per this right of children to free and this has been complied,
Yes.
they've been appointed.
Yes.
The issue is, what is the criteria?
No.
Just wait. What is the criteria for appointment of, provincialization, appointment of tutors? In addition, these three subject teachers, science, mathematics, social study, and language.
So here it is.
This has always, these 3 posts have been already
not
provincialized.
Yes, lordship.
No issue. This is only in regard to additional teachers.
Additional teacher.
Additional teacher,
teacher-
what is the requirement that for appointment of regular,
No,
additional teacher? Just wait.
Lordship.
What is the requirement? that for additional post or teachers, it should be as per the seniority or the persons to have the dice court.
No, additional.
What is the requirement?
Additional teacher, two additional teacher, that is respondent number 6 and 7, provincialized. But we are the senior and recommendation.
Where is the requirement? It is be based on the seniority.
That seniority cannot bypass.
Where is the requirement?
That is the year, that is saying the dice code is very much necessary.
Where it is? For additional post.
That a loss.
It is a additional post, right?
It is not specifically saying whether additional or so far.
No, see, whether in your school, this science and mathematics, three subjects have been appointed already.
And additional 2 posts also.
Forget about that. This clause 11 says that at least one teacher each for science, 3 teachers. Right? These three teachers have been already appointed in these 3 subjects.
That is not the issue.
Issue is additional post.
Additional post already been covered.
So for additional post, what is the requirement?
That page, my lord, kindly have a look, page 107 in this act, my lord. 107. This is applicable for additional or.
Yes, which one?
Provided, page 107, that dice code shall have to be issued on or before so and so, and dice code issued thereafter.
This is Bencher ME school.
Yes, my lord. Yes. So Bencher.
ZA. It's a Bencher ME school.
Yes.
This school is Bencher ME school.
Yes, upper primary. This is a Bencher upper primary school. ZC, my lord. So that is saying Bencher lower primary as well as Bencher.
It's a upper primary school, right?
Yes.
Okay. So
host name figure in dice code up to 2019 and prior to that and thereof the service of the teacher have not been provincialized under any act enacted by the state legislature so far. So our name already been covered by dice code 2019. So this cannot be bypassed, my lord. Provided that dice code shall have to be issued on or before 2019 and dice code issued thereafter shall not be considered for the purpose of provincialization of service of any employee of the institution. But this has not specifically saying whether additional or the post as per section 3 subsection 1 clause 11 is concerned. So it is covered in both. So if their post, their appointment not covered by dice code 2019, they are not entitled to be provincialized.
but seniority is not there.
No, this is, my lord, principle of national justice, that one senior cannot be deprived. This is my fundamental rights. One senior cannot be deprived by provincializing the junior one. And
Provided it is, the rights is created under the statute.
And entire proceeding, whether my post was dropped, it was behind the back of the petitioner. Back of the petitioner and fundamental right to be considered for public employment, and there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens, because whether I am being deprived or dropped, no opportunity was given, and it is being unheard.
See, it's not something you are off track.
Now, my lord,
You are off track. You are on off track.
now, my lord, law will say.
Why you are asking all this, I mean, big, why making big submissions?
Question is,
Fundamental right.
if junior one being provincialized, either in.
That's why where is the requirement that senior should be considered first?
Yes.
What is the basis of your submission?
No, I hear, my lord, this, my lord, coordinate bench pass judgment.
When I'm making a query, when I'm asking some query, why you are jumping with the coordinate bench judgment? We'll come to the order judgment later.
This is, my lord, already covered. They are saying that the Bhansar ME school, including Bhansar ME Madrasa, means an upper primary school, imparting education from class 6 to 8.
Who is disputing that, sir?
No, no, question that is not specifically mentioned whether.
Who is
he-
who is disputing that, sir?
No, no,
It's a upper primary school,
Lordship.
right?
No, dice code is mandatory, my lord. Dice code requirement is mandatory. It cannot be bypassed. That is, my lord, already.
That I have understood, I've seen it. What I'm asking is when you say that seniority, what is the requirement of consideration of the seniority, on the basis of the seniority?
No, this is the principle of law, my lord. Seniority, how can be deprived? So far record reveals the seniority that is not disputed. I am senior most, and so far order passed this code on its
See,
back.
consideration is whether there is no question of whether you have been considered or not. You are simply saying that I am the senior, they don't have the dice code. I understood dice code may be necessary, but then what is the requirement of seniority? How do you say that you have not been considered? And that too, it's an additional post.
No, my lord, that is why, my lord, this coordinate board already passed this proper order. Dated 8/11/2021. You cannot say that this is a bias order, this is wrong order, this is right order. Therefore, the court.
Bias order?
This order
Bias order.
cannot be say they're wrong, because this order 8/11/2021 also challenged by the respondent for vacating, that has not been vacated, because it appeared, it is a proper. So here clearly saying.
Where is it they say that there was a bias?
No,
It says so. Are you alleging?
This.
Are you alleging bias?
No.
Then
No, I am not telling, but.
you said, you
my
have talked
submission is
just
that
now.
This order cannot be bypassed.
What bypass?
This order dated 8/11.
Sir, I'm asking, you said, are you alleging any biasness?
No.
Then
That is not.
why you was making a submission that
Question is.
this is bias?
This is a proper order. This order cannot be.
We have not seen that order. Who is questioning that order? I am saying when you say that this is a bias, there's a biasness. Are you alleging biasness?
No, I am not saying that this order is not bias.
While a minute second ago you said bias. The order is bias.
No. I am not telling the code is bias. I am saying this order is proper.
You say this order is a bias.
No. I am not saying bias. I am saying this order is proper.
See,
This is a
come to
proper
the
order.
point. Don't make, all this big, claim and submission, which is not required at all.
My humble submission, Your Honor. My humble submission, this order dated 8/11/2021, it should be made absolute.
Huh?
This should be made absolute, my lord.
Which one?
Order dated 8/11/2021.
How can we make it absolute? It's just an
What?
interim order.
No, so far.
It's an interim order. We're finally considering.
Case.
We're
So far-
finally considering your case.
So far, Lordship, prima facie case is concerned, so far records appear. It is prima facie, my lord. That I am.
What do you mean by prima facie? Therefore, there was an interim order. Now, finally, we're considering your case.
Now, my lord, consider, my lord.
Huh?
Consider my case, my lord.
We're considering now. Wow, how can we make it absolute? Interim order. It's not possible. It clearly says prima facie case has been made out. What do you mean by that?
No, already, my lord, here clearly saying that respondent number
You see, it says
6 and 7.
prima facie case has been made out. What do you mean by that? What does it mean?
So far act is concerned, my lord, the dice code 2009-10 is mandatory, and that cannot be bypassed, and that has been covered my appointment. And respondent number 7 may not appear in the dice code in 2009-10, and how he can be provincialized?
Is also
That cannot be survived.
Is it including your this thing appointment on the appointment of additional teachers? Dice code is required for additional teacher also, which has received recognition from the company authority before so and captured in DSC code number so and number of services teacher have not been implemented.
And this order saying, my lord, clearly that as two additional teachers were not provincialized against any specific subject, and the two petitioner being senior between the two teachers who were provincialized, the prima facie case, that is the issue. That is my stand, my lord. That's my lord. Very clearly noted, my lord.
Where?
And
Where? Where is it clearly noted?
order 8/11/2021.
It's an interim order, sir.
This is court order, my lord.
This is an interim order.
Yes, my lord, I am admitting. It means interim.
So, we're
So
finally
I-
consider,
I
we're
did-
finally hearing you now.
I relaxed. And this. This.
We are hearing you finally
This, I have already. been
for
satisfied.
final
I
determination.
have already been able to satisfy the court because.
How do you know that?
So far
How do you know that you have satisfied?
No, record already revealed.
You may say that you have made your submission, that's all.
No, Lordship, I have already shown the record. The record also revealed that it appeared.
Yes.
Record also revealed.
Is 111, my lord, of the act, my lord.
111. 111.
My lord, 311, page 111, my lord.
Okay, in the act.
Act, my lord. Page 311, my lord. In case of venture appropriate.
311. 111.
My lord. Roman 11, my lord. Page 111, Roman 11.
Yes.
Here, see kindly, my lord. In case of venture primary school, there shall be minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher is, that is science and maths, social studies and language. Provided that for additional post, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms of the standard stipulated in the schedule of the section 19 and 25 of Right to Children's to Free and Compulsory Education 2009, my lord. Furthermore, my lord, here, my lord, name of the petitioner has not been recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee, which is essential, my lord. Kindly see page 120.
Why you have not recommended?
Because he is a Arabic teacher, language teacher already been recommended. Senior most language teacher has already been recommended, my lord.
Yes. 100
See page 120, section 13, my lord, District Scrutiny Committee and State Level Scrutiny Committee. There shall be District Scrutiny Committee in each district separately for elementary, secondary and higher education to scrutinize service records of other related issues of the serving teachers of venture educational institution pertaining to the provincialization of their services, my lord. Kindly see page 21.
Huh?
Last section 13(5), subsection 5. 121. The District Scrutiny Committee of Elementary Education shall be consist of the following members: Deputy Commissioner, District Elementary, on other one representative.
District Scrutiny Committee for?
4, my lord. Kindly see next page 122.
Secondary education.
No, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. 122 page.
122.
My lord.
Ah.
Scrutiny Committee shall first scrutinize papers. Prepare a list of all venture education institutions within the district which are eligible in terms of provisions of this act, and shall thereafter proceed to scrutinize and verify the service records of all the serving teachers who are eligible and became eligible for being considered for provincialization of their services. Well, here petitioner is not eligible. That is why his name has not been recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee.
Eligible matlab?
It is not, because one thing is that only one teacher can be provincialized as a language teacher. First of all, petitioner is a teacher of Arabic subject. Here, my lord.
No, this is not question of these 3 teachers, 3 subjects. It's a question of additional post.
But here, my lord, additional post will be, my lord, kindly see page 111, my lord. Provided that for additional post, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standard of Right to Education Act under schedule and under section 19 and 25 of Right to Education Act 2009, my lord. Whenever it's required, my lord, then additional teacher will be.
So you have appointed, provincialized tutors, I mean, additional teachers.
Still has two additional teachers,
Ah.
but one in one case, my lord, is this Sahnur, he has not receiving his salary, my lord,
No, it's
because
okay. Receiving salary is not
my
issue.
lord, that's amount to my lord, he's not in service, my lord.
No, no, how you have appointed these two persons?
To people teacher ratio, my lord, student, there are 170 students in the
No,
school.
no, why they have not been? Why they have, why this petitioner, two petitioner has not been considered?
Teacher is not required, my lord.
No, no, it doesn't say.
Teacher.
Well,
It says additional post.
true, my lord.
Additional post could be include these three teachers, three subject teachers.
Will this record kindly see, my lord? May I place the record, my lord? He has not-
Eligibility is what?
Well, he is a subject, he taught only Arabic teacher.
Both.
Petitioner. Petitioner
Petitioners,
used to teach Arabic subject.
both the petitioners.
No.
There are two petitioners.
Other one is Hindi, my lord.
Ah.
Both are language, my lord.
Both are language. Then these response 6 and 7.
Qualification BA, my lord.
Huh?
BA, my lord, they can, to my understanding, they can teach any subject, my lord.
What is their basis?
Because BA, my lord, we have BA,
What is their the qualification?
higher secondary in Arabic and in Hindi, my lord.
Is it the consideration?
That cannot be ground.
Is it a consideration?
With additional, my lord, there are some relaxation.
So additional post could be these three subjects, including these three subjects. It could be a language, it could be socialism, it could be science and math.
Any subject. Your Lordship. Because Lordship, may I submit one thing, my lord?
Just wait, I'm hearing him. Your turn will come.
Section, the only thing is that he is teaching Arabic, that is why his name was not recommended, since one language teacher has already been recommended.
And what about no dice code is required?
Regarding dice code requires for every teacher, my lord.
Huh?
Dice code required for every teacher.
Then these two persons response 6 and 7 doesn't have the dice code.
The respondent number 6 who.
What about 7?
7 he have, my lord. 7.
He has the dice code.
My lord.
7 doesn't have.
Sona. Yeah, my lord.
Have no dice code till 2009.
He has 7, my lord. Sooner has not, my lord. So that is why we have not considered.
Huh?
Here respondent 7 has no dice code, my lord. The record has not.
What about respondent 6?
Have, my lord.
Huh?
Respondent 6 have the dice code, my lord.
Ah.
That is why we stop the salary of the respondent 7, my lord. Sooner.
6 has the dice code. From where do you get it?
This from the record. Kindly see our affidavit, my lord. We have stated, my lord.
But she was appointed in 2006.
And you have ignored the seniority also. Why?
Regarding this, my lord, this specific instruction I have to bring, my lord.
Were not recommended for listed. You just said that they were not recovered according for provisional service were issued against above them two. You just said that they have recommended. Problem issue is why they have not been considered. How they have not been considered.
That I have to bring.
We have not said so. Where do we say that this respondent number 7 has the dice code?
133. Para 4 last part, my lord.
Ah.
The deponent further begs to say that recommendations of DSC against the name of Sonaruddin respondent 7 could not be traced.
Now what about 6? You said 6 has the dice code.
It's amount to my lord respondent 6 have. That is why we have not giving salary.
How can you say that? 7, I understand. You huh?
Page 30, my lord.
30. Hmm, 30.
My lord, Sheikh Hanibuddin, my lord.
Sheikh Hanibuddin. Is respondent number 6?
6, my lord.
Ah.
His name is reflected in the 2019 dice code, my lord.
Huh?
His name is reflected here.
Where it is?
Respondent serial number 7, my lord.
Ah.
Sheikh Hanifuddin, that is respondent number 6, my lord.
What does it, this is a dice code.
Lordship. He was appointed on 2006.
Then from where you can that this. How do you say that he has the dice code? Page 30?
My lord.
No, this respondent 6 and 7, their name is
Here, my lord.
Step Hanifuddin is.
Respondent number 6.
Then other 7 is
7 is not there.
from where you have got it.
7 now is not enlisted.
Sheikh
He's
Hanifuddin.
subsequently appointed.
But you said both they don't have the dice code.
Only, my lord, respondent number 6 having dice code. But
Therefore,
he-
7 is out.
7 out already. And 6, my lord, appointed in the year 2006. And Bahar
So
list.
that's why I'm asking precisely, what is the requirement of consideration on seniority? If there is, you tell us, if there is, you fairly say that there's no, there's no provision under the Act on rules that the seniority has to be taken into consideration.
But
What but? I'm asking.
yes,
Is there or is there not?
in act is specifically not.
Say no. Be fair. Say no. Don't
But-
try to evade.
But my lord, this
Yes, is there any in the record how they have been considered, all of them? Have their case been considered?
Who's my lord? My lord, petitioners. Petitioner only here is that, my lord, his name was not recommended by the DLC and also SLC, my lord, that is right,
That's all.
my lord.
That is his challenge, why his name should not be
But,
recommended, considered and
eligibility
recommended.
criteria, my eligibility criteria already fulfilled.
How?
Because
See, you also coming back to you, already language teachers have been appointed, right?
right.
You are teaching Arabic, both of you, right? Okay, it goes.
But lordship, this teaching staff saying category 2 means in any subject.
Where it is?
This page 30.
Page 30 is what?
Yes, we are under category 2, page
Ah.
30, my lord, teaching staff. Here specifically not saying that I am teaching so and so subject. Here specifically clearly says that under category classes of teacher on the top, my lord, classes of teacher teaching is under category 2, and in below category 2 very specifically specified
Where it is?
category 2 teacher.
Classes, what is this?
On the top, my lord,
Classes
of teaching,
what
this
teaching?
categorized 2.
Classes taught.
Yes, taught.
Ah,
Everywhere, every teacher against every teacher, it classified as 2. And 2 is
whatever this category.
category 2, my lord, at below clearly noted, my lord, category number 1 headmaster, and 2 here, my lord, teaching. 2, category 2 is a teacher. That means teacher means I can teach all the subject. It's upper primary. So basic requirement I have already fulfilled. Clear. Clearly.
Kindly see last, my lord, here, subject.
No, I have a subject. This
Classes
but
taught,
but I am
classes
eligible.
taught
I have
here,
rendered my
classes
whole
taught
life,
under-
only 2 or 3 years. remaining.
Classes taught primary 1, upper primary 2.
I have rendered my
Thereafter, my
whole
lord,
life.
subject, my lord, all subject 1, language 2.
Yes, what do you want to say?
Here, my lord, petitioner is teaching language. My lord, that is reflect from here, my lord. Here kindly say subject.
Only my lord, only my lord.
Primary two, my lord, subject one, all subject one. That means all subject. And language means two, my lord. So here petitioner is teaching language, my lord.
Now, my lord, may I submit one thing, my lord? Only 2 years, my lord, remaining. Only 2 years. Already whole life has gone. This is all the subject. Now this dispute arises whether I am eligible to teach the. Only 2 years remaining. I am now 58 years.
That's not the issue. Don't try to
No,
argue
question
which is
is-
not
question
required,
is-
sir.
Question is, I am a teacher. I am teaching all the subject.
Ah.
I have narrated in my.
You just say
Okay.
that.
I have.
You just make
I
that,
have-
whether
I
you
have-
are going to retire or don't say.
No, I am narrated in this case.
We are not concerned.
This is my pleading, my lord.
We are not concerned.
Here I have narrated under paragraph 3, rendering his duties as teacher in the said school to the satisfaction of all concerned, and without any hindrance from any corner. Now they cannot submit without counter affidavit.
But to my understanding, petitioner is not in service since 2021.
Your understanding?
No,
They
no,
are not in the service. They are not working now.
no. Act saying, what is the act saying? I am on the act. At the provincial election, when.
What you have said just now, what you have said, petitioner not in the service since 2021.
I have submitted my
Ah.
since 2000 because the other teacher has already been provincialized.
Ah.
His name has not recommended. That is why, my lord, he is not receiving salary and he is not in.
But sir, how you have recommended these two persons, ignoring the seniority, and you are not able to show that these two persons have the different. They are not language teacher. It's almost the same thing.
Regarding the subject taught by the other persons, my lord, respondents, my lord, I will bring the instruction.
What instruction? We have almost.
About seniority. Regarding seniority, no.
Is there anything how these districts the district selection committee, I mean, consider these two persons, 6 and 7? Please give me the records.
Instruction.
District Borpeta. This from Borpeta. NC Kasumara. Surman Ali Head. Hassan Nurul. Respondent number 6, name of respondent number 6, Sheikh Hanifuddin. Then 7,
Sunaruddin.
huh?
Sunaruddin, my lord. That is.
Sunaruddin.
Sunaruddin. Respondent number 6, Sheikh Hanifuddin.
What record is this? Nothing is there. This Suman Ali Ahmed, who is Suman Ali Ahmed?
Surman Ali,
Was the headmaster, my lord. He was retired now.
Then Hassan Nurul Islam.
He's a BSc teacher.
Then Muhammad Jiluruddin Jilur Rahman. These three were provincialized initially.
Yes.
And then Sonaruddin and Sheikh Hanifishan. This is state level. District level. District level is Surman Ali Ahmed. Who is Surman Ali Ahmed?
that is headmaster, my lord.
Then Hassan Nurul Islam.
BSc teacher.
Huh?
Science teacher, my lord.
Muhammad Jiluruddin Rahman.
His qualification is SS, man.
Jilur Rahman.
Abdul Rahman.
These three were
PU, he is PUR.
Jiluruddin Rahman. Right?
Right.
1, 2, 3. Jiluruddin Rahman, he is also provincialized.
Provincialist. He was appointed in the year 1995.
Surman Ali, Hassan Nur Islam. Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
And
Right.
Jilur Rahman.
Jilur Rahman.
They have no issue.
No.
Three of them. Sheikh Hanibuddin. Yes. See, district, you said that the district selection committee has recommended only Sheikh Hanibuddin. Not the other one. In the state only you have added this other one. What's their name?
Sonaruddin. Other.
Huh?
Another name, my lord,
Another
respondent
Sonaruddin.
Sonaruddin.
Sonaruddin. Huh? Sonaruddin has been added here in the. There's no selection, I mean, recommended by the district selection committee. So suppose, can you redo it, considering all this additional post?
Additional post, my lord, this.
No, for this two posts, additional post, can you reconsider all of them, including the petitioner?
The district authority.
District authority has to reconsider because although there appears to, because additional post doesn't say anything. And admittedly, it appears that these respondent 6 and 7, they are having a BA. Their qualification is BA, and this is higher secondary.
I said. And Jilalur Rahman.
So the law doesn't, I mean, the provision doesn't say anything
Yes.
whether the
BA or higher
person having higher secondary, I mean, BA should be give preference or not.
No.
Can it be reconsidered? Or it's over now?
No, my lord.
The process is still there.
My lord, as per the requirement that they can deal.
Still process is on.
My lord, as per the requirement, my lord, they can, my lord. Only thing
Still
is that,
process is on.
my lord, if they are not in.
Can the under this act 2017 authority can reconsider again
Requirement, my lord.
so far as this matter is concerned?
Let them file and represent, lordship may dispose of it, directing the petitioner to file and representation before the director to requesting them to, my lord, recommend as additional teacher.
No, no, that will not be proper.
It will also time consuming.
Can
Otherwise,
they consider be, no, additional teachers, so there is no limit.
My lord, teachers, student ratio is required, my lord. Then-
Suppose if they file also, if as per the, that right to education,
that already covered.
if the ratio is not there, how can they be appointed? Huh?
No, my lord.
Yeah. PMPC, I think we have not done, proper consideration has been not done. These 2, 6 and 7 could not have been appointed on just on there. That too, respond number 7,
Lordship.
who has not been recommended by a district selection committee. DSC means district selection committee.
Yes, yes.
So, take down, Mr.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
K Bhuya.
Huh?
K Bhuya. K means kite.
Kite. That's why you fly like a kite. You submit like a kite. And Mr. P.K. Bora, London Standing Council. What is this?
Number 1, 2, and
No, elementary.
my lord, true.
Elementary education department for respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Then
K.U. Ahmed.
K.U. Ahmed,
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7. Yes, anything to say?
I think this, my lord, after the appointment order, the petitioner left the school. Till today, they are abstaining out. They are not out in school.
See, obviously, how can they be continue when they have not been appointed and provincialized?
Till 17.
My lord, since long back they were in answer stage, they working.
Huh?
In answer stage, they working.
Where?
They were working in that school.
Ah,
Subsequently, when the process
You-
teachers are taken under tutor process, they left the school.
obviously, how can they continue?
That
For what
say-
they will
that
be
saying only
there?
2017.
So anything to say? So we're interfering in your appointment.
This, my lord, regarding respondent number 6, my lord. He was fully covered.
No, see, you are 7, 6 also 7. 6, you are also were appointed in the year 2010, right? You are 2006 at least.
My lord, it is, my lord, appointment letter is there. That is,
Your name is 2000. 2006 date of joining.
Hard to know.
terms and conditions of appointment, my lord.
Where it is?
That is, page 19 of my, is also in my affidavit in reply.
Affidavit in reply?
Is, my lord, 46.
Of what? Writ petition?
My lord, it is a defiance. It is opposition, my lord.
Of what? By whom? Affidavit in opposition filed by whom?
Filed by all the respondents.
All the respondent?
And I have filed one alia, my lord, in
Running page?
in opposition, my lord, page 46.
Page 46 is something different.
Annexure B, my lord. That is affidavit.
Yes. Okay, This is?
Clause 4, my lord.
It
is stated terms and conditions of appointment.
This is appointment of whom?
Appointment of Sonaruddin,
Which Sonaruddin?
number 7.
Okay, Yes. Before release of fixed, yes, read it.
Before release the fixed salary of the each incumbent, the DO, DIC BO shall verify the following. The name of each of the appointee must exist in the dice code. Authenticity about the genuineness of educational qualification.
This is requirement is SSLC. They are not SSLC.
They are SSLC.
Ah.
And he is BA.
So
My lord, criteria, he fulfilled that criteria.
how?
The date of joining.
See, the authenticity about the genuineness of education qualification of the appointee must acquire the requisite before the date of joining in the school. The date of joining must be on or before so and so. The SSLC pass tutor must acquire the SSLC qualification before joining in the school. The date of joining must be so and so or prior to that, whether the exam is in service or not. We have already reduced the option. So what do you want to say?
In this case, my lord, my humble submission before this honorable court, as 5 teachers were provincialized, one is already retired. As per teacher students ratio, another 2 teacher is required.
Ah.
So their case may be considered.
Then let them say,
Yes,
not by you.
My lord,
How can you say that? You are not the authority.
my-
You are the beneficiary.
without
You are the tutor, teacher. Tutor or teacher?
tutor.
Tutor.
All the teachers are tutor. All of them appointed as tutor.
So if the authority says that they will consider, then we may direct them. Are you going to consider? In addition to him. In addition to response number 6. You want to consider? Huh?
Respondent
No, no.
is already considered.
No. This is Sonaruddin is who? 7. Okay. So he is out. Then, and other one is retired. So according to you, there are two can be appointed.
Yes. Headmaster retired on 31st of March.
Headmaster is in which subject?
All subject. He taught English.
But he is only this thing. Language teacher.
2 petitioners,
They are language teacher only, Arabic.
Arabic and Hindi.
How
Arabic and Hindi.
How can they be appointed in English? Can you teach English?
But, his subject was, at the time of appointment, he was appointed against Arabic subject.
Usually, my lord,
Against
I am
Arabic,
teaching all the subject.
Hindi.
All the subject. I am teaching.
How?
One, my lord,
SLC pass, how can you teach all the subject? Your appointment is on Arabic only.
except maths, my lord.
Language.
Language teacher, my lord. One Arabic, one Hindi. But so far category concerned, teacher. I mean, being appointed as teacher. So additional teacher can cover. There is no bar.
How can you teach English when your subject is that to SLC? One could understand if you are a graduate, BA, like respondents.
No, that is not the condition. my lord.
That will be an injustice,
That is
sheer
not-
injustice to the students.
That is not the requirement, whether graduate or higher secondary.
Huh?
Because minimum requirement is higher secondary.
Can you teach
be,
English?
To be teacher of upper primary school.
When your subject is Arabic or Hindi, can you teach English?
Why not? I have already taught, my lord.
Huh?
English, except mathematics.
That will
all
be injustice to
subject I am
the
teaching.
students. Sir,
All subject I am teaching, my lord, except mathematics.
what do we say?
No, I have categorically mentioned that I am being a teacher and teaching all subject.
Continue. What is that, the provincialization order?
Provincial order, my lord.
Challenge
Page 33.
meant in this writ petition is to the notification that it's 04/02/2021. issued by the Director, Elementary Education, Assam, whereby services of 3,309 tutors against the Bansar lower and upper primary schools of 27 districts of Assam in accordance with the provisions of the Assam Education within bracket provincialization of services of teachers and reorganization of education institution within bracket Act 2017, including the respond number 6 and 7. Namely, you write them, huh? In respect of NC Kachumara ME Madrasa in the district of Borpeta. List of the petitioners were appointed as what? Assistant teacher, Arabic teacher. And
Baharul Islam petitioner number 1 as Arabic teacher
and
petitioner number 2 as
Hindi teacher. And the petitioners were appointed as Arabic teacher, Arabic and Hindi teachers
on my lord
on
3/1/1988
and 28/3/1993 by the managing committee of NC Kasumara. Kachu or Kasu?
Kasu, my lord.
Kasumara ME Madrasa in the district of Borpeta. This page 30 is for provincialization. What is page 30?
Page 30, my lord, their name appeared as dice code.
Dice code, huh?
2009.
The name of the petitioners and the respondent number? Sheikh Hanifuddin.
6. Hanifuddin.
Respondent 6. No, 7.
6, my lord.
Sheikh Hanifuddin.
Yes, my lord.
Respondent number 6.
6.
Sonaruddin is 7.
Sonaruddin 7.
Who doesn't have that thing?
Here, my lord,
Who doesn't have the dice code?
Sheikh Hanifuddin, one person in dice code.
Petitioners. And the respondent number 6. Sheikh Hanifuddin, right?
Lordship, yes.
Has this dice code of the year 2009 and 2010 for the as a teaching staff of the said NC Kasumara ME Madrasa Mr. However, the name of the respondent number 7. No, honey pudding is respondent number 7. 6. Okay, is not in the list of. Huh?
His name
Is
is
not,
here.
is not the teachers of the said school. Therefore, his name doesn't appear and doesn't have the dice code.
Yes.
Huh? Dice code.
Dash code.
Mr.
Unified District Information System for Education.
On the on the pursuant to the government letter dated 30/2021, and in accordance with the provisions of the Assam Educational within bracket provincialization of services to ensure that in short Assam Provincialization Act 2017 bracket clause. Altogether 3,309 tutors against the tutors of venture lower primary schools and upper primary schools of 27 districts of Assam is notified in district ways with the name of the tutors which services were eligible for provincialization in terms as per the so and so Act, Assam Provincial Act 2017. By the Director of Elementary Education, Assam. List of in the said notification, the name of the respondent numbers 6. No. 6 appeared at serial number 204. For the NC for provincialization as tutor of NC Kasumara Emi Madrasa, and the name of the respondent number 7 appeared at serial number 203. List of, and accordingly, respondent number the service of the petitioners, respondent number 6 and 7 have been provincialized as tutor of the said school. List of. Next para. It is the contention of the petitioners that the petitioners having been appointed on 1998 and 30, the same, huh? Very cheap. Zero 1988 and 21/03/1993.
93.
93.
Yes, Lord.
As language teachers.
Yes, 26.
In the NC Kasumara Madrasa, same school, na?
Yes, 96.
And the respondent number 6 having been appointed in the year 2006. And the respondent 7,
In the year 2010.
although appears to have been appointed in 2010.
1-3-2000.
In the same school,
Same school.
in the 1-3,
1-3-2010.
Date of joining.
2010.
Date of
Then
joining.
in much junior to the petitioners. List of the
My lord, respondent number 7 was also updated in 2016-17 in Dice Court, my lord.
19 है लगे 19 लगे
therefore both the respondent number 6 and 7 ought not to have been considered for provincialization, as the seniority of the petitioners has been totally ignored and no consideration was made by the respondent authorities in terms of the provisions of the so-and-so Act, 2017. As for additional teachers oblique tutors, the dice code of the teachers are mandatory. And for fair consideration, the seniority positions cannot be bypassed or ignored. Mr. K. Bhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, referring to the details of the teaching staffs, submits that altogether there are 7 teachers, including the respondent number 6. List of the from serial number 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is 3?
This is my lord. This typographical mistake, my lord. Eventually serial number.
Serial number 1
wrongly-
to 3 have been provisionalized in terms of the provisions of the so-and-so Act 2017 as 3 subject teachers, namely, no, as not as tutors for science and maths, social studies, and language subjects. List of in terms of the said provision, in terms of the provisions of the Act, for additional post, it shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standard stipulated under section 19 and 25 of Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act, 2009. He submits that for fair consideration, the petitioner's case ought to have been considered and recommended for provincialization or the additional cost of tutors. If the petitioners are much senior much senior to the respondent 6 and 7. This stuff. As the respondent 6, as the petitioners having been appointed in the year 1988 and 1993, and the respondent 6 and 7 being appointed in the year 2006 and 2010. This stuff. Moreover, the name of the respondent number 7 doesn't appear in the list of teaching staff of NC Kasumara Madrasa.
Emi Madrasa.
Emi Madrasa. As the respondent number 7 were not appointed at the relevant point of time. Therefore, no diocese, and therefore, no DISC code could be allotted to him. Mr. He submits that the provincialization of the respondent number 6 and 7 are in total violation of the provisions of
timing possible.
a provision of section 2 within bracket small ZA, small ZA bracket clause, and three, within bracket, Roman, small Roman, 11, of the Assam provincial elections. Act 2017. Why we're 17? This is 2018. Why we're saying 17? It is 2018.
Which one?
My lord,
Act is of 2018.
Act, my lord, Provincial Election Act, my lord, 2017.
This act is to page 87. Published in the Assam Gazette Auxiliary so and so, 19 May 2018.
87.
Is it not the act? Page 87.
this is non-teaching staff.
Huh?
For non-teaching staff.
Which one then?
Next, my lord.
This act not cover.
Page
We are relied
99.
upon, my lord, Act 2017.
Huh?
We are relied upon, my lord, Assam Education Provincialization.
Where it is?
Page 99. 99.
Okay. Okay. 2017, sorry. 99, right?
99.
Okay, this is
No.
teaching. Teachers, huh?
Yes, lord.
Okay, huh? Okay, 17, huh? Sorry. What I said last?
Jade.
As the respondent authorities has recommended provincialized the service of provincialized the services of petition respondent 6 and 7 as tutors. To without there being any whether there being dice code, particularly for to respond number 7 list of the respondent 6, though having a dice code, is junior to the petitioners list of. Therefore, the provincialization of respondent 6 and 7 are liable to be set aside, and the direction may be issued to the respondent authorities to recommend and to provincialize the services of the petitioners, service of the petitioners as tutors. This stuff, huh? Next para. Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel for the Learned Standing Counsel. So and so, huh? Where's your affidavit? And then respond number 2. Submits that on the basis of the recommendation of the district selection committee, wherein 4 teachers, including the respondent 6, comma, and after the recommendation of the state level scrutiny committee. It's a scrutiny committee. Not selection committee. Scrutiny committee. Finally, 5 teachers, including the respondent number 6 and 7, were provincialized as tutors in respect of NC Kasumara ME Madrasa. ME school or madrasa? ME school, same. ME school. Please stop. He submits that although the respondents 6 and 7 were appointed in the year 2006 and 2010, who is junior to the petitioners, comma, they having been, they being the qualification of Bachelor of Arts have been preferred as the language teachers, as the petitioners were appointed as language teachers, for which as per the provisions of the Act, the one teachers who is senior to the petitioners was appointed as language teacher. Please stop. The appointment, the provincialization of the services of respondents 6 and 7 as tutors is strictly in accordance with the proviso to Section 311 as additional teachers for imparting, for teaching of the students in all subjects, as the respondents 6 and 7 are graduate teachers, are having the qualification of graduation. That's what you are trying to say. Since they are having a BA, it's for teaching all subjects, not the language. Huh? Next paragraph. Mr. Bora, non-standing counsel. The names of the petitioners. The petitioners are Arabic and Hindi teachers, and their names were not recommended by District Scrutiny Committee, and therefore the state level scrutiny committee as well as joint committee could not recommend the names of the petitioner for promotion of their service as tutors, as the District Scrutiny Committee has not recommended Arabic and Hindi teachers in most of the upper primary schools. He submits that since the submits that the recommendation of the District Scrutiny Committee against the name of respondent number 7 could not be traced out in the record. Therefore, although his service was provincialized as tutor, his wages was not released, and the authorities have decided to conduct an inquiry as regards the in that regard, huh? Mr. Next para, Mr. K.U. Ahmad, then counsel for respondent number 5, 6, 7. While adopting the argument, while endorsing the argument, the submissions advanced by the Learned Standing Council, submits that since the petitioners are only the language teachers, being Arabic and Hindi teachers, their cases, they have not been recommended for provincialization by the District Scrutiny Committee as tutors, provincialization as tutors, as has been done in all other schools in the district of Barpeta. The respondent 6 and 7 being the graduate, have been recommended and provincialized as tutors in terms of the, strictly in terms of the so-and-so Act 77 and the so-and-so Act of other one, 2009, other Act, 2017 and 2009. 9 is that elementary so education, Central Act. Stuff. What about 7? 7 is out of the job now, still working.
Continuing,
What is the inquiry? What had happened?
my lord, his salary is not paying.
Therefore, the petitioners has no right to claim for provincialization in place of the respondent number 6 and 7. And as such, writ petition may be dismissed, is liable to be dismissed. Next paragraph. I have considered the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also perused the materials available on record. Mr. The petitioners admittedly were appointed in the year 1993 and 1988 in just right, 1988 and 1993 by the managing committee of the school of so-and-so school, Kasumara so-and-so school. In the as Arabic and Hindi teachers. Please have the respondent number 6 was appointed in the year 2006. You are appointed as what?
Linguist.
You are also language teacher.
Hello.
Which language? 7 also.
7, my lord, social studies.
From where you are saying language and social studies.
From the category it is said.
As language, what language?
Linguist means, my lord, he used to teach English, my lord. But all subjects he ability to teach all
Not
subjects.
particular language. What is it? 6 and 7 were appointed as language.
In the appointment letter, my lord,
Language
order of
and-
appointment, that is not reflected language or as a appointed only as a designated as a tutor, my lord.
No, initially in 2006, language and social studies teacher in the year 2006 and 2010 respectively. Mr. The petitioners having been appointed much earlier to the respondent number 6 are senior to the respondent number 6 and 7, are seniors to the respondent number 6 and 7. List of by notification issued by the Director Elementary Education, comma, the five teachers were provincialized, including the respondent 6 and 7 as tutors in respect of the NC so and so school, NC so and so madrasa. We call it madrasa or school. Now it is a school.
Till today, it is termed as madrasa.
Is it? Then you write madrasa.
Upper primary,
List of
upper primary.
Madrasa only.
next paragraph. Perusal of the
That's saying upper primary.
record shows that the district scrutiny committee has recommended altogether recommended 4 teachers for provincialization in terms of section 13(6), section 13(6) of the Assam Provincial Act 2017, wherein the name of the respondent 6 appeared at serial number 4. Full stuff. However, the selection, the state selection committee appears to have included the respondent number 7, although there was no recommendation from the district scrutiny committee. Thereby recommending altogether 5 teachers as including 5 teachers in respect of NC Kasumara ME Madrasa. List of it is not discernible from the record as regards the criteria and basis for consideration or provincialization of both the service provincialization of the services of respondent 6 and 7 as tutors. List of it appears that the petitioners Respondent number 6. The provincialization of respondent number 7 is being under inquiry as reflected from the stand of the state respondents in their affidavit. List of next para. The respondent number 6 and 7 appears to have the qualification of Bachelor of Arts who have been appointed as language teacher and social studies in the year 2006 and 2010 respectively. List of therefore the petitioners, although having the qualification of SSLC, are senior to the petitioner. Respondent number 6 and 7. List of list of although the provisions in the Assam Provincial Act 2007 doesn't is not clear, doesn't appears to have provides lays down any qualification and lays down any specific criteria for appointment and additional teachers, public tutors, except that same would be in accordance with the norms and standard stipulated in the schedule under section 19 and 25 of the Right of Children to Pre and Compulsory Education Act 2009, in my considered view, the seniority position of the teachers would not have been ignored while considering the considering for provincialization of the additional teachers. List of it is the record doesn't reveal. No, as the record doesn't reveal that the case of the petitioners were considered and rejected by the district scrutiny committee, or for that and the state level scrutiny committee. Rather, no consideration appears to have been made at all while recommending the respondent number 6 and 7 list of rule. I mean, no. Next para. Section two, huh? Two ZA, huh? Provides inter alia that Bencher ME school, including Bencher ME Madrasa, means an upper primary school imparting education from class 6 up to class 8 and established by the people of the locality prior to 01/01/2006, which has received recognition from the competent authority on or before 01/01/2006 and captured in the DIC code up to 2009-2010. And the services of the teachers have not been provincialized under any act enacted by the state legislature, provided that DIC code shall have to be issued on or before 2009-2010, and DIC code issued thereafter shall not be considered for the purpose of provincialization of the services of any employee of the institution. Mr. Section 3(11), bracket 11, Roman 11, lays down that in case of Bencher Upper Primary School, there shall be minimum 3 teachers or tutors, at least 1 teacher each for science and mathematics, social studies, and languages, provided that for additional post, same shall be considered in accordance with the norms and standards of the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. Next paragraph. Bare reading of the above provisions reflects that the school has to be captured in the DISC code up to 2009 to 2010. And DISC code issued thereafter shall not be considered for purpose of provincialization of the services of the employee of any employee. This stuff. It further reflects that in case of Bencher Upper Primary School, minimum 3 teachers or tutors in respect of science and mathematics, social studies and languages are to be provincialized, provided for additional post, it shall be considered in accordance with the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. In the present case, the petitioners, the respondent number 7 appears to have been issued dice code after 2009 to 2010. Therefore, the case of the petitioner, respondent number 7, could not have been considered for provincialization, that too, when no recommendation was made by district scrutiny committee. List of. In respect of respondent number 6, although although he was appointed in 2000, no, although he was issued with dice court. He having been junior to the petitioner, his case ought to have been considered along with the petitioners while petition for provincialization, considering that the petitioners are much senior to him. List of. There's no, it is an admitted position that the case of the petitioners have not been considered by either by the district scrutiny committee or the state level scrutiny committee for provincialization as tutors by ignoring the seniority of the petitioners, which this court is of the considered view that non-consideration of the petitioners for provincialization, unless otherwise barred by the provisions of the Act, would be would be illegal. That the petitioner could at least show that they are entitled to be considered in terms of their appointment and the seniority position. Stuff. The next paragraph. It is noticed that one Sri Sharman Ali Ahmed, a teacher in English language, was appointed on 02/05/1985, Hassan Nurul Islam, a science and mathematics teacher, was appointed on 07/08/1995, and Jilur Rahman, a social science teacher, was appointed on 02/05/1985. You take it from page 30, name of this, 1, 2, 3, though it is written 4, and their services have been provincialized under section 3 within bracket 1 bracket close bracket 11 bracket close of the Assam Provincialization Act 2017 as language, social science and mathematics teachers respectively. The appointment of respondent, the provincialization of respondent number 6 and 7 appears to have been made by invoking the proviso to section 3, proviso to section 3(1)(11) of the so-and-so. List of as noted above, the petitioners, the respondent number 2, the respondent 6 and 7, having been appointed on 01 6 and 7 on 01/03/2010 and 20/01/2006 and 01/03/2010. And the petitioners having been appointed on 03/01/1988 and 28/03/1993 in the NC Kasumara ME Madrasa. Although as Arabic and Hindi teachers are senior to the respondent 6 and 7, the respondent number 6 and 7 having been provincialized not in any specific subject, and the petitioners being senior to both the respondents 6 and 7, the respondent authorities ought to have considered the case of the petitioner in terms of the provisions of the so-and-so act. Having not been done, I'm of the considered view that the provincialization of respondent number 6 is tutors, apparently invoking section, a proviso to section so-and-so 3(1)(11) is not sustainable. That too, in respect of respondent number 7, who have not been recommended by the District Scrutiny Committee. Next paragraph. For the and also the provisions of the act appears to have been, and therefore the provisions of act appears to have not been substantially complied with. Next paragraph. For the foregoing reasons, I'm of the considered view that the notification dated
4th February,
where is that notification?
page 33, Lordship. 4th
30?
February 2021.
Huh?
Page 33.
33, huh? 04, 02, 2021. Issued by the Director Elementary Education, Assam. In respect of provincialization of respondent number 6 and 7 as tutors in NC Kasumara so and so school. Cannot be. Is reserved to be interpreted with Mr. Accordingly. The provincialization of respondent number 6 and 7 are hereby set aside in first. Mr. However, considering that the respondent 6 was recommended by the district scrutiny committee and the committee and subsequent and the state level scrutiny committee who is having the graduate degree, who is having the qualification of Bachelor of Arts, with and issued with DIC code, comma. It would serve the cause of justice that the respondent authorities are to reconsider the cases of the petitioner as well as the respondent number 6. Reconsider, not 7. 7 will you have put in
Lordship, with effect from date of
6 and 7. 6. What I said, reconsider.
Headmaster to headmaster post to khali hoye ase. Headmaster post is available.
For provincialization as additional as tutors in respect of NC so and so, Kasumara so and so, ME Madrasa, strictly in accordance with the provisions of so and so, within a period of 2 months, 3 months from today,
But
3 months from today.
But Lordship, with effect from date of provincialization order.
Will not say anything. It is made clear that the consideration of respondent number 6 would be subject to the result of inquiry, which stated to have been already initiated. List of writ petition stands disposed of in terms above.
That may be closed.
In view of the order, so in view of the disposal of the main writ petition, I stands closed.
High law place.
Return the record.
Bench 3 matter.
Bench 3 matter.
Your Lordship is taking up bench 2 matter.
So it is submitted by Mr. S. Datta.
Yes, Doctor, studying also Revenue Department.
Revenue Department. You just inform. And MS so and so, MS M. Burman.
Amber,
That
Mrs. Amber.
matter pertains to bench 3. Mr. Registry to list before the appropriate bench.
Okay.
Number 13, 14, 15, madam, we can see that, madam, paying for examination, here some personal difficulty.
Why?
19 to koi do?
And 19, madam, madam, B posting is, out of station.
Yes,
And also 19, my lord.
19, madam, affidavit is sent for betting, madam.
then 13, 14, 15, same or the? What is the matter?
Madam, sir, record is with the B posting, madam.
Then on the prayer of Mr. G. Pegulan, State Council and Standing Council,
Yes.
Elementary Education, and the prayer not been objected to Mr. N. Sharma.
My lord, I am in
This appearing in
item number 19. The government is taking time.
No,
my lord,
no,
for
no,
affidavit.
no. Then you said, you have informed the Learned Council for the petitioner. Huh? 13, 14, 15. You inform, huh? On the prayer of so and so, so and so. Then let this matter be listed after 2 weeks. 19?
Yes.
Same order, and the prayer not being objected by Mr. N. Sharma, Learned Council will list this matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks, huh?
For affidavit, my lord, they are
Ah.
taking. for
Madam,
affidavit.
may I take with the record, madam? General Ahmed Lordship J. Ahmed is handling because of which, yes, he has some personal difficulty.
J.
So I-
Ahmed,
J. Abedin Lordship.
you are
I am
Mr.
K. Majumdar Lordship.
So,
I pray Lordship, I may consider to the Lordship after.
on the prayer of Mr.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
K. Majumdar, Learned Council for the petitioner and prayer not been objected by Mr. P.K. Dekha.
Fixing of date, my lord.
No. List this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Huh? What's the problem?
Lordship, I
So
pray.
you have taken, you have given a consent.
Obliged, my lord. Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, next. What is that? To a fixed matter. One. Oh, sorry, item 6, sorry.
Lordship. This matter may be adjourned today and fixed another date, Lordship.
Why? We'll raise it from part third. It's a part third matter.
Lordship.
Why? It cannot be taken up today.
Otherwise, we are ready, my lord. My colleague is led by senior counsel K.N. Chaudhary, sir. Perhaps he is on in the midst of some other hearing.
Which court?
The morning, court number 1, he was busy.
Now?
No.
It's difficult to keep the pardon matter again and again. I think when it was part third.
One.
19-1, 21-1, 27-1, 31. 4 times. So what to do?
Lordship has
We'll release.
Lordship may be pleased to keep it part third since Lordship has heard it at some length, my lord, and Lordship has also made up my lord's mind.
And
my lord,
I
on the
came
fact-
prepared
Yes, my lord, that would. We
to
understand.
dismiss the writ petition. It's not predetermined because I've heard you. I've heard you as a senior counsel. Only I have to hear them.
Fixed on 17, Lordship.
17?
17.
No, we never know.
17, my lord.
We
I
cannot
have-
give a fixed date now. Because this bench, if we keep it part hard, we cannot fix the matter. Because
let
you
it
never
come-
know when this bench will end. We keep rotating, no?
Let it come after 2 weeks, then, my lord.
2 weeks.
Lordship. Some urgency also, Lordship.
No. It is fixed today. I'm ready. He's ready. You are not ready.
Day after tomorrow, Lordship.
No, it's not possible. Day after tomorrow, not possible. 2 weeks. We'll make it 2 weeks. As and when courts, we'll make it 2 weeks, but then as and when this court sits, unlikely. After 2 weeks, unlikely. Maybe after 4 weeks only. Anyway, Mr.
A Hussein,
A.
A Hussein,
Hussein, Learned Council. You are also in this meeting.
Lordship.
Submits that the leading counsel, Mr. Ken Chaudhary, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, is engaged in some other court. Is in the midst of hearing in some other court. Therefore, prays for listing of the matter. After 2 weeks, prayer not being objected to by Mr. Beach or the learned counsel to the respondent, that this matter be listed on after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks, my lord, as
As-
my lord proposed, my lord.
As again part heard, as part heard. This is 5th time after 4th heard.
Sir, we are,
After hearing for some time, today is 5th time.
sir, we are led by senior counsel D. Soikia, my lord. Myself and my senior colleague.
Not been objected by Mr. Arbor Pujari and Mr. B. Chaudhary, B.D. Chaudhary, learned counsel, appearing, assisting Mr. D. Sekia. Sir, we have fixed it for 2 o'clock, but his senior is again in the midst of some hearing. I don't know.
No, because their matter was fixed according to their convenience.
I've seen it's been, today is the 5th time after keeping it part heard.
I will not record that we have consented, Lordship may pass appropriate order.
I have already passed.
Yes,
Has not been objected to by. After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks.
But we cannot fix the date because,
it-
no, it's difficult. Sir, it's difficult.
12th of
Now,
March.
when this court will be here or not,
Then let it be after. 3
Ah.
weeks, so.
because if it is fixed, no, it will be difficult. We'll just say 2 weeks. As in when it court sits, this will be listed because it's a part heard.
No,
2 weeks, we will say 2 weeks.
deeply.
That's apprising you, not before 4 weeks. Most likely. You express urgency and you are taking adjournment. What can we do? He's ready, I am ready. This court is also ready.
I gave the commitment that I will be here.
Ah.
That's why I had some other work. I said, no,
Ah.
this is priority number 1.
Ah.
And I gave a commitment to the court.
So I told the Lalal Council that you have, your senior has already argued. I prepared last night. So today I'm ready for dismissal of the writ petition. They might have sent something today. And or on later note, huh?
The Lordship was in this side, so Lordship knows everything. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Obliged. Yes. Yes. What is the matter?
Here you're looking for any suspension, you're not. Doesn't provide.
Suspension?
Your lordship, respondent number 6 has given authority, your lordship, that this private petitioner transfer your lordship matter. Graduate the same pay. Matter, your lordship. So your lordship already appointment has made your lordship as per rule 14(1) of the Assam Secondary Educational Provincialized Rule 2018. And moreover, your lordship, the private respondent number 6, your lordship, his period was count, your lordship, as per the appointment letter issued as per appointment letter, your lordship. So, your lordship, we have taken our stand clearly in our affidavit.
You said suspension? It's not a case of suspension.
Your lordship.
Regarding
It was the
appointment of
headmaster in charge, your
in charge
lordship.
headmaster.
Yes, your lordship.
What
And
happened?
respondent number 6, your lordship, has given your lordship authorized, your lordship.
To whom? Who-
Respond,
Who is respondent number 6?
that is,
Assistant teacher. Anupam Bartakur is the senior most.
Yes.
Then
and there, after your lordship, appointment was
And your lordship, and it was counted. We have taken stand on 135 page of our affidavit in opposition.
135.
35 paragraph third in of the above.
135.
135, your lordship rules as mandate your lordship. Moreover, rule 24(5). 135 of our affidavit.
Para?
The first starting paragraph itself. 135,
Page 135.
page 135.
Moreover.
Moreover,
Well,
onwards.
it's a part of some paragraph.
Yes, your lordship, and it was a paragraph 6. Where we have taken your lordship, why we have
You
appointed.
just read it from para 6.
Yes, your lordship. Page 134, paragraph 6. That your deponent further begs to state that the respondent number 6, that is Anupam Borthakur, was not newly recruited in Daring Pathar ME School. As alleged, rather, he was appointed on dated 31/1996 as regular teacher. And since 1/2/1996, he has been doing service continuously. And by virtue of rationalization, transferred and posted in Daring Pathar ME School from LOKD ME School, he did not lose any seniority. He was intent, your lordship, with his post. And due to amalgamation under Shiksha Khetra scheme, subsequently, he had joined this Daring Pathar HE School. Continuation to that, your lordship, paragraph, page 135. And there, your lordship, moreover, rule 24(5) of the Assam Secondary Education Provincialized Rules 2018 mandates that in case of amalgamation of ME, MV, LP school.
What is the qualification of, what is the seniority position of when he was appointed, the petitioner?
He was already working, he was already serving, your lordship, and he was on seniority post. Thereafter, your lordship, after amalgamation of ME, MV, and LP school with other high school under the scheme Shiksha Khetra, the employees of the amalgamated school shall be given seniority with effect from the date of joining. And that was mandate, your lordship, 1/2/1996, where we have taken stand, your lordship, that since one.
No, see, the petitioner is appointed science graduate in 1995. Huh?
Graduate teacher, he was not appointed as, your lordship, in charge.
It's okay, that's why he's claiming. Where is the appointment of in charge headmaster?
Appointment to get it looping and.
Apparently petitioner is senior to.
But here, your lordship, he was already appointed in the cadre of graduate teacher, and already he has been drawing graduate scale pay from the date of joining
Okay.
from the post.
What about the teacher? I mean, the respondent, petitioner. When he was appointed, when he drew this thing, graduate teacher. That's the crux only. What he's saying is that he's senior to respondent number 6. Therefore, you could not have appointed the respondent number 6. Then what affidavit you are saying?
Your lordship, affidavit has already filed, but your lordship, that annexer has not been.
Not annexer. What is the appointment of respondent number 6? I mean, as a in charge, headmaster.
He was appointed on 31/1996 as regular teacher. And your lordship, 1/2/1996, he has been doing service continuously, and that has been counted with effect from 1/2/1996.
Madam, I have understood, but then the petitioner was appointed as science graduate teacher in 1995. Respondent six is since the appointed in 1996. Who is senior in that case?
Oh. May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Personal difficulties, engage counsel.
You tell us when you were appointed in a graduate teacher, as graduate teacher.
Short ticket. Kindly list after 2 weeks, my lord. I don't have the records.
Top time ল'লে মই তোমাক সেইকাৰণে কৈছো। ভগৱান আছিলে নেকি? তাৰ ইম্পিউন অৰ্ডাৰটো আছে, এপইণ্টমেণ্ট লেটাৰখন ময়ো দেখা নাই। মই ফোন হেৰিয়ে নাই দেখা। Provincialized order dated 123. নাই দেখা এপইণ্টমেণ্ট লেটাৰ ইটোহে দিছে। কোনবাই কৈছিলে চৰি। After 2 weeks, my lord.
Why?
May it pleases you, lordship. Your lordship, he was appointed in 2001, 2013. Your lordship, page 128. Serial number 320.
Page 33.
128.
Please come to page 33.
33.
Page 33.
Yes, your lordship.
Corrigendum.
He was joined as 1/2/1996. Yes, your lordship. There was one correction, your lordship. That also your
See,
lordship.
now issue is you have also acquired the BA while working as a teacher, and you have been transferred to this school. Therefore, there was a proposal for amalgamation of the school. Therefore, you don't lose the, he doesn't lose the seniority. Now, admittedly, so far the initial appointment is concerned, she was appointed in 1995. And
1996.
respondent number 6, 1996.
No, indeed. Your lordship.
Right? Now, he has also acquired the B.Ed. Earlier, he doesn't have. And one Ronglang filed a writ petition and it was disposed of, directing to, remanding back to reconsider, whereby it is provided that thereafter pass any appropriate order for allowing the most eligible teacher to hold the post of in charge so and so. In terms of Rule 14 of 2018.
Joining Korisa, joining KTL.
Yes, when you were appointed.
He has got the graduate scale of pay 1/1/2013, my lord.
Huh?
On 1/1/2013, after provincialization of the school, my lord.
Who?
My learned petitioner
Huh?
has got the, my lord, graduate skill.
Huh?
And I was from the date of my initial joining, my lord, I was appointed the graduate teacher. That is the thing.
So how the seniority is casted?
Seniority on the basis of the date of getting the graduate scale of pay.
Rule provides so.
Yes.
But then you,
I got
Hmm?
that is why I am giving, sir.
where is the seniority list?
My
Is
lord,
there
you
any
will find
seniority list?
district seniority list, I have annexed with the, my lord, additional affidavit, page number 126.
126.
Serial number, my number is 104.
126.
127 is not fine. My serial number is 104.
Where it is?
Page number 127. Serial number 104.
104. What about the petitioner?
I was to find the next page 128, serial number 320.
What is this?
The 320.
Moinul Islam.
Yes.
Kuji.
Yes.
Kuji.
Kaji Moinu.
Oh, Kaji Moinul Islam.
The right side of find the column. 1/1/2013. That is the date of getting the graduate scale of pay.
Yours is?
My lord will find it's 1/2/1996.
This graduate scale of pay, column number?
Column number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 8.
Sorry,
Column number 9, my lord. Date of receiving graduate scale of pay.
have you challenged this?
No, it is not under challenge.
Ah, 2025. Sir, your matter.
Yes, one. I'll take some time.
Sir, can you come to page 126?
Your file goes. File is in fact missing.
I'll tell you. Admittedly, you were appointed in 1995,
Yes.
1925, and you become a graduate scale, I mean,
I was graduate then.
graduate school in 2011, 13. And the respondent number 6 admittedly appointed in 1996.
Yes.
From day one, he is a graduate scale of
No,
pay.
he was ME school teacher.
No, no.
So
Graduate scale of pay.
No, no.
No, no.
was in the higher secondary- Yes.
Just listen. Now, wrongly or rightly, they have issued a provisional, I mean, draft graduation list where the serial number of the respondent number 6 is 104. And you have been shown at serial number 220. 320.
No, my lord, your
320.
your lordship may issue a direction and close the matter because it is simply holding of charge, not a regular appointment.
Ah.
So let the district, it is the inspector schools who should conduct the my lord selection.
And this order allowing him to hold the in charge
Tip
is
the-
pursuant to the order of this court
Yes,
in another writ petition where you are not there.
yes.
One wrong file against the respondent number
So I was
6.
not there. I was not there.
Ah, you are not the
So
party to
ultimately
that.
now what?
But
what
as per the direction of that authority is considered that he is having a B.Ed everything, therefore he has been allowed.
We had everything.
Now,
Both are qualified.
yes, now you are qualified. But then when you talk of the seniority, your basis is the seniority. Wrongly or rightly, they have issued a draft graduation list where you've been placed below the.
No, in the first graduation list, I was placed over him.
Huh.
No, county was service from 1995.
And his case has been considered, I mean, corrigendum has been issued.
Yes.
Of course, you are putting it to challenge, but
So
then
challenge, that is a-
once the draft gradation is published, providing this thing, this is published very recently, not recently, 2025, March.
Yes.
Any grievance, objection, omission, so and so, unless this is, unless you file objections on this, challenging this graduation list.
Until we filed. Yet first, before that, because I don't have the brief today, it was missing either in his chamber or in my chamber. So my lord, if I am to argue for police, then I will take time today. Otherwise, my lord, your lordship will dispose the matter in short, direct the inspector schools to hold the selection process because advocacy cannot continue for long, indefinite period, depriving the other.
But what I'm saying that once you are not challenging this the seniority list, right?
No, no.
Or unless we interpret the corrigendum who has been allowed corrected as 1996, you will not be appointed. And that too, there is a huge difference.
There is
10,
only
20.
there is, my lord, there is the only draft graduation list, not the final.
320.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, only draft graduation.
They will finalize it. They will be issued based on this.
Yes,
Even if it is not finalized
yes.
today, if you have not filed any objection, they will base the selection on, if we direct them based on
Objection is
this,
to be
we will
given
direct
to-
them to.
Objection is to be given to the department.
Huh?
I filed the objection, no reply has come.
I'm sure.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes. Because otherwise he will not sit tight. He is also conscious man.
Now, Malum, finally, what goes down is the advocacy continues since 2022.
Okay, but then what, you'll not get any relief.
My lord,
So long as this seniority list, gradation list.
it will go, my lord. Now the question of seniority will not come. Now the question of tenure of service, how much year, how many years they have this, my lord, render service to be eligible for under Rule 12, Rule 14 of the rules, so far I know. So, my lord, your lordship can dispose of directing the inspector schools and
Because it
directors.
says from the what is this? Date of receiving graduate scale of pay.
That is all right. Now seniority would not come. Once you, I acquire, I serve
That's
for,
what I'm saying.
hello?
See, when did you get receive the graduate scale of pay? 2011. He is shown to be from 1996.
96, he was also not holding a graduate result. He was a MA school, transferred into
Then
the,
unless you challenge this, how can be this will stand?
that will not be the qualification now, my lord. Seniority has gone well down. What is important is the total number of service you have rendered, that is a qualification prescribed under the rules.
Rule says what?
Rule said
10 years minimum
10 years
with
and,
graduate scale of pay,
no, 12 years
12 years
and for
graduate scale of pay.
master degree, 10 years.
With BEd.
Yes, B.Ed. I have also got B.Ed.
Ah,
So both are qualified. And other teachers are also many qualified. Believe me, one Nirola, some Deepa Nirola is qualified. So ultimately, my lord, one man on ad hoc cannot continue for indefinitely. So let all, there is a selection also should get chance to contest. And if the selection, whosoever wins, my winner, he wins, and another lady wins, let the selection committee decide. Then seniority may not be gone into.
we'll record all this thing.
Madam?
We'll record all this thing.
Your lord
Simply we cannot say.
my lord,
When it's brought on record, when you are not disputing.
I have disputed in the department. That's what I am asked to give. But they have not finalized it because other teachers also have disputed this. So ultimately, what the department should do? Hold the selection, finish it forever. Pedagogy is not the rule, my Supreme Court timing and say pedagogy cannot continue indefinitely. For short period, what is ad hoc for the time being? Now it is 4 years. And one thing, in the graduate scale pay and in the cadre of high school, I have, of course, forgotten dates. I think he's doing
That is the rules. Rules, see the rules. What is the rule? Of what? This one?
Yes.
Page, page
Milo, I am submitting one thing. I am
95.
asking without brief.
You said you were to dispose of to consider and the
Yes. Then if seniority issue will
we'll
not
have to record everything. What is this page? 35.
Your lordship decided to dispose today.
You said to dispose of and direct them to hold the regular.
But you have also observed that seniority will rule the field. Then I have got objection.
Because once we dispose of, we have record everything which is brought on record.
Then let me
Headmaster. Headmaster.
Headmaster.
Rule number, rule
14, my lord.
14. The headmaster of high school. This is high school.
Yes.
Shall be filled up by promotion from candidates amongst the graduate teachers as per district-wise seniority.
Yes.
List on the recommendation district under Rule 16. The selection and admission shall be based upon seniority and satisfactory. Yes, as per the provided that the seniority of the graduate scale shall be determined from the date of receiving the graduate scale by a respective assistant teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Better ends there.
Yes, from the day.
What I am saying, if we dispose of this matter also, direct them to have a regular process for regularly fill up the poster, you will not get.
The regular process already stayed by the Honorable Court, sir. There are so many cases.
Why a regular process has been stayed?
Yes, have been already interfered by the Honorable Court.
Regular process.
Yes, that is stopped for a time being.
Why? Why?
There's so many cases on different ground process and there's a There are several orders.
That cannot be ordered in RAM. How can the regular process can be stopped?
Issues are different in other cases. But so far as the state has started nowadays, my lord, recently the state has started the process of giving regular promotion to the post throughout the entire state is started. And in respect of 2-3 districts, it is held up because of some cases it is given to learn that.
This is in respect of which district?
This is in respect of Shunitpur, my lord. In some cases.
So it's not been.
Shunitpur, Nagaon, and some for 4-5 districts have been dropped because, my lord, some cases are pending before the Honorable Apex Court.
In respect of the district Sonitpur also. This includes this. Includes this school.
No. It is in Vishwanath. Don't say, it is Vishwanath district, not Sonitpur. You don't know.
Inspector of school is Shunitpur, my lord. Under the inspector of school, Shunitpur.
No, whether this case falls under that.
Not in respect of this particular school, my lord. As a whole, it is.
I'm asking whether this will cover those.
No.
This case falls within that.
No.
Come.
Then, sir, what I'm trying to impress upon you is that even if we direct them to consider, you will not get. As per the rules, it says shall be based upon the seniority and certificate considered as per, provided the seniority to graduate scale teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay.
Yes.
He is shown to be received since 1996. And you are from
I am
2011.
denying it. He received from 2013 already. Because once he was transferred from ME school to high school.
That's why I'm saying this clearly shown.
I saw everything in the rule, my lord, that schedule of the pay scale. Also, let it be taken some other day. Let it remain part of.
No, you said that this will dispose to have a regular process.
But if I lordship insist on the graduate scale pay, then he is junior to me. Because in high school cadre, he is not senior.
We'll go by 126 rules. I mean, gradation list.
I fail to understand, make a lordship understand. Either allow me to have the brief or your lordship pass the order. I don't have brief, without brief, I'm in a difficulty.
See, sir, you yourself have said this may be disposed of with a direction to conduct.
No, your lordship is
fill up the post in a regular manner as per the
It is not necessary.
So what I am trying to say is, as per the rules, as per the records, you will not be, be appointed.
How will your lordship decide?
I can decide.
Because your lordship is not sitting.
Because as per the rules.
Your lordship is not sitting in selection.
As per the rules.
As per rule, I will be senior to me in gear.
How can you should have you just kindly see this?
My lord, kindly take on 15 or 16 or 17 because I will be out tomorrow onwards. If your lordship understand my difference, your lordship is sitting and dispose of.
No, I'm not on that, sir. It is you are the one who has prayed for disposal, sir.
Your lordship is saying that.
I have just asked you what is to be done now.
Your lordship is saying he is getting graduate school pay since 1995.
Yes.
1996. He is not getting. He is getting after he was transferred from ME.
That is your submission. Record says otherwise. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
That record is wrong. We filed objection before the department. The department has not finalized it. It is ad hoc only.
Then why you are saying that until unless this is hard on merit, why you say that it should be disposed of with a direction to fill up the post on regular basis?
I was because without making any observation from our side, lordship side. Otherwise, it will influence the selection. If you also make some observation that I will not be qualified or I am senior.
Just tell me, can we simply direct to fill up the post on regular basis? Can we do that?
My lord, there are reasons the education should not continue for long. And this is not the district where the other 3 districts are included. So, your lordship can do that. But anyway, if your lordship wants
on your submission only, I cannot do that because once we have to dispose it of, we'll have to decide, determine, and direct it for regular.
Then if your lordship,
that's why I am indicating you. I mean, sir, you are agitating.
16.
Sir, you are unnecessarily agitating. What I am trying to impress upon you, rather than you impress upon me, what I am trying to, on your submission only. Can you just listen for a moment? You said your junior was seeking a time.
Yes.
Then I have read the file. So I'm trying to, I mean, when she was not, when she doesn't have the brief, I try to, get it from them on the facts, right? And then I've understood what is the case.
ठीक है
Now, sir, when you enter, I said your case. Then you said it may be disposed of with the
No, no,
direction
first
of
I said
the regular.
because I
Sir,
don't
please
think yes.
hold your horses. Then I said, how can I dispose like that? Until unless, because record shows that gradation list has been published with a right to, giving them opportunity to file claims and objection. Number one. Number two, until unless this is finalized, if we direct them, they'll based on this gradation list draft. Law says so. If it is not finalized, they are supposed to consider your objection, but then if we direct them to hold it, fill the post in regular basis as per the act and the rules, then if they don't finalize, they'll have to go by this, where it shows that the respondent number 6 received the graduate scale of since 1996, as per the records. I don't know whether it is correct or not, as per the documents of the authority.
Not correct.
You received the graduate scale pay in 2011, 13, whatever. Now, rule says you are claiming that you are senior to him.
Yes.
Now, rule says that it is based on the seniority, district as per the district-wise seniority,
Yes.
where you have been shown much below the respondent number 6. And it's the proviso says the seniority of graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay.
Yeah.
Until the time we interfere, the date of receipt of graduate scale of pay, you will not get. You may be considered. He will be considered, provided he is not barred in the other aspect.
In the graduate
That is what I am trying to impress upon you. You are unnecessarily agitating.
let me take another 16.
What I am trying to say is, in short, I cannot direct. If we dispose of it, we'll have to record and observe what is brought on record, which you have not, disputed.
I have this because I was asked to give.
Have you filed affidavit in reply?
Yes,
Madam, to the
But it
affidavit
was
in
the
opposition
It was the latest.
about the draft gradation list?
Yes, we have filed.
Where is that?
The
Where is the affidavit in reply?
No reply report.
This is the affidavit in reply of you, mister. Is it there?
Without
This additional
seeing the
affidavit
pattern,
is page 126 is filed by you. Filed by you. Okay.
They have filed one reply, my lord. To counter that, I have brought some records, but through additional affidavit.
So for the interest of and the health of the petitioner, I'll try to trying to tell you, but you are unnecessarily agitating. Have Mr. R.P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Miss M.S. Learned Counsel for Petitioner. Not heard. Mr. R.P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by so-and-so, for the petitioner, submits that he has some difficulty today in arguing the matter as the assisting counsel has somehow misplaced the brief.
Yes.
Is it so?
Yes.
You have not brought the file. You
No,
have not brought the file, right?
No, file, there are two chambers, my lord. One is.
No, misplaced. Then we'll say misplaced. Therefore, praise for listing after 2 weeks. Has not been objected to by Land Council. MS.
Thus, your lordship.
P. Das
hearing
London
for
State
respondent
Council
part three.
and Mr. Standing Council and Mr.
Number 6.
So and so. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
ठीक है ठीक है
Just don't take it otherwise.
no no
You, I mean, I understand.
no it happens in 46 years of practice I'm going to complete 46
We,
years.
we, we,
We-
we
there are
always,
persons-
we always learn from you.
My lord, oh, yes.
We have been learning and we have learned
Yes.
from you and we have
My
been
lord, there have
learning.
been many
But
tussles
we
with
would
counsel
like,
that
we would
yes.
like to keep learning from you.
My senior once, my lord, he is now dead. The second senior judge,
Ah.
one of the best judges,
Ah.
came like, before him, he were arguing, he lost the school, he lost his school and threw the brief like this and went away.
Ah.
Then judge went to his house.
Ah.
There was no talking tops and he would not do any cases before their court.
Ah.
Then judge himself went to make him understand and
Ah.
brought to court.
But I'll never do that.
so, my lord,
We respect
Yes.
all the, particularly, that's what I'm saying. Sir, you remember where we learned from you. When you
Yes.
joined, you were already a senior.
Yes,
We have been learning, especially you,
yes.
not to, and some other senior lawyers, right? And we looked up to you with some other senior lawyers. And then still we believe, especially this court, believe that we'll be learning and we'll keep learning.
Many things.
So what I'm trying to, make you understand is it is your submission which makes me try to, understand that it cannot be done.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship is now.
You may think
Yeah.
that it can be
No, no.
easy. You may think that it can be easily done by us, but for us it's difficult.
No. Your lordship is this side, that side now.
Ha.
This side. Your lordship also might have felt hesitated when you are practicing.
Ha.
Because one of my juniors is now law minister. Kentogini.
Ha. That's why I know. But then when you take up the, in the court, it's very
And
difficult.
it also entertains
Yes.
the person sitting behind.
Hmm.
Oblige, my lord.
Saying what?
Saying that we have already paid an amount of 73,800 as an area salary. Plus, notice the petitioner has also written that we have also received 2,600 as an current salary in the financial year 23-20. That annexer C, lawsuit may kindly see the acknowledgement given by the petitioner. Page 26.
20?
It is a letter written by the petitioner to the block administration officer that we have received an amount of 73,800 as an area salary for a so-and-so period, and also received 2,02,600 as a current salary for the financial year 23. And direction was to the regularize the period of suspension and the paid area salary. Page 11 block 6.
I don't know where is page 11. Page 11.
Page 11 is the direction. To regularize the suspension period and to
Towards
pay.
the regulation of period during which petitioner placed under suspension also make payment salary due to the whichever 19 until this date. The said etc. Yeah. Then
That was processed, ultimately he was paid as the area salary of 70,800. Profit,
just was
which he has received, and also received the current salary of 2,20,623 rupees.
from what you are saying.
The letter to the petitioner answered C. I filed in the receipt of person that I filed today.
Today it's not there.
My lord,
Yes. Have you received the
my
affidavit?
lord, just received at 11 AM, my lord. So
Ah.
I shall have to go, my lord, to all the details.
No. Once it is on affidavit, once it said it has been complied with.
Not my,
Direction to pay the area salary of the
Ah.
suspension period.
Ha.
That's what paid.
Ha.
If
So-
any given, he can count to it.
no, my
Your
lord, that will be a multiplicity of proceeding, my lord. What?
see,
My lord,
just wait. It's a contempt proceeding.
my lord, it is in between the court, honorable court and the respondent, my lord.
Huh?
It is in between the honorable court and the respondent.
I don't know.
Your lordship is aware, my lord. I
No.
have nothing to
See,
say.
direction was to regularize the period of your suspension. That has been done. And to pay the area salary, whatever, during this period, up to that. Yes, now acknowledgement is page. You just go through now.
My lord,
We're going now. We have not seen it advance also. Yes.
Annexure number C.
Develop development in the information regarding area, salary and correct.
Page 26, my lord. With due respect and submission, I have the honor to inform you that I have received rupees 73,800 for the period of 1/8/1995 to 28/2/2001. That is the suspension period as area salary, and rupees 2,20,2,000
Of current financial year.
current financial year, March 2023 to July.
Matter ends there.
2023.
Matter ends there.
My lord, letter of, letter.
This is by whom? Yes.
It is.
Yes. No.
My lord, suspension period, my lord, one thing that is to be considered, my lord.
Why you have the,
Suspension-
acknowledged the receipt of all these things?
Suspension period.
What is the direction? To regularize the suspension period and to pay the area and salary. That's all.
My lord, area
Heard,
salary.
mister? Heard, mister? Learn, mister?
TU Laskar, my lord.
TU?
Laskar.
Laskar, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner. As you said, your role is over now. They've been brought on record that it has been complied with, matter ends there. You are outsider now. You are third party. For the petitioner, Mr. SMT 60, Learned Counsel for the Alice Contender, by filing the affidavit, and has filed the affidavit, which shows that the order of this court, dated, which one? What is the order of that? Date of order?
Get order to the.
Now you may help us as a third party.
My lord,
Order dated 30/04/2015, passed in WPC 6780 of 2013, has been duly complied with. Next para. Perusal of the affidavit, particularly Annexure C at page 26, reflects that the petitioner has acknowledged the receipt of rupees 3,80,000, 70,800 for the period from 01/08/1995 to 28/02/2001, and rupees 2,26,023. What is
2,02,000.
2,02,623 of the for the financial year for the financial year, i.e. March 23 to July 23.
my lord,
He has not written any
What is it?
objection or any grievance in this letter.
my lord,
Perusal of Zero 01/08/1995 to 28/02/2001 as area salary and rupees 2 lakhs, nahi? 2,623
Of current
of
financial year.
current financial year, i.e. March 23 to July 23. In view of the order of this court has duly been complied with. Accordingly, the contempt petition stands closed.
my lord, one thing that I should.
If
disclose-
there is that, if anything left, you may explore for filing a fresh petition. Thank you.
Apply the list.
No, yes. Yes. What is listed today?
Lordship, no instruction is coming from them, Lordship.
Why?
And there was an order also, Lordship, of 5/1/2022, Lordship. 5/01/2022, Lordship. They were directed to
50?
5/01/2022.
2002,
22.
saying what?
Lordship, there was a Lordship, to regularize his service, Lordship, he was to get the benefit of provincialization, Lordship. That was the direction.
Lordship, we need some time to obtain the fresh instruction, Lordship. This is the
Have you
order.
filed the affidavit?
Lord.
Saying what? Is he entitled? What instruction you want?
The fresh instruction, because the Lordship.
You have not filed the writ petition. I mean, you have not filed the affidavit.
Nothing, Lordship, nothing is coming from them.
Yes, last chance.
Lordship.
Heard
Lordship,
Mr. Heard Mr.
I'm Bhagavat.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. Miss
B. Deca. B. Deca.
B. Decker, learned standing counsel
Lordship.
for elimination. Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit, obtain instruction and file affidavit as a last chance.
Lordship, let them take instruction whether they are complying with this order also, Lordship. 512020.
Let them file, we'll see.
Because Lordship, she may not know of the order, Lordship.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes.
Mass of right.
Please, my lords.
Yes, where is that?
My lords, Mr. Datta was here. I'm calling him for the last 10 minutes, my lords. He's not receiving my call. My lords will perhaps recall on the last day.
Yes, I've seen it. He was around.
He was here, my lords. In the first half, he was here. He was sitting. But in the second half, unfortunately, I've not seen him.
After some time?
Certainly.
Why not?
Certainly. Certainly.
After some time.
Before starting, my learned friend, my lord, it matter relates to seniority between the petitioner and the private respondent, my lord. And the promotion is required to be made on the basis of the graduate scale of pay. If your lordships fix it on Tuesday, my lord, next I'll produce the service book. Service book will clarify who are receiving the graduate scale of pay earlier, my lord. The promotion is required to be made on the basis of graduate scale
As per
of
rules
pay,
14.
my lord. And I have not received the service book today.
What is your stand in the affidavit?
Now, in the affidavit, my lord, we have passed a taking order that the private respondent receiving the graduate scale of pay, my lord, in 2013, and petitioner received the graduate scale of pay in 2019. And promotion is required to be made on the basis of school-wise seniority, and on the seniority is required to be determined on the basis of graduate scale of pay.
Graduate post.
Graduate post, my lord. But the service book is not available with me today, my lord. If you also fix it on next Tuesday, I can produce the service book. Full clarify.
Are you disputing? Are you disputing?
My lord, in fact, this is the second round of litigation, my lord.
Maybe third, doesn't matter. Are you disputing that
No.
you have received the graduate scale of pay in 2019?
Graduate scale of pay in 1993, my lord.
Then?
There was a notification in the year 1993, and thereafter, those posts were upgraded, my lord, in the year 1995. And then
when did you receive?
1993.
Graduate scale of pay?
Yes.
1993?
Yes, and the private respondent, my lord, admittedly had received, my lord, in the year 1994, my lord. One subsequently, my lord, after the
Show us,
notification.
when did you receive?
1993, my lord.
Show us.
Lordship may see the there was a notification, my lord. Kindly see before that, my lord.
Not notification. Show us. When did you receive?
Lordship may kindly see page 85. There was an order, my lord. 10/4/1996.
Page 85.
Yes, my lord. My name is at serial number 3, my lord. In the middle, my lord.
The initial pay of the following assistant teachers of the so and so fixed on their upgradation post of graduate assistant teacher in the same scale for scale of pay graduate.
Yes, my lord.
This is 19?
1990. My lord, with effect from 1993. Lordship first.
1990,
slide,
1312.
1993.
Okay.
Correct, Lordship.
Then
Now, my lord,
what about respondent?
kindly see page, my lord, page 101.
Hmm.
Order dated 1/2/2000, my lord.
Hmm. One,
101, my lord.
Yeah.
Order dated 1/2/2000, my lord. That was the private respondent, my lord, so far
Kokendas,
is concerned, my lord.
who is serving as assistant teacher. Two thousand 24, with effect from 2024.
With effect from the date of joining, my lord.
Huh?
1994, my lord. My lord, there was some topographical
Is he
mistake.
allowed to, what is this? Draw the
Yes.
graduate scale with effect from 2024.
My lord, with effect from 26/10/1994, my lord. It's typical mistake, my lord.
Okay.
It must be understood.
Yours
my
is
lord.
1993.
I'm 1993, my lord.
Okay. So that's the crux.
Now, my lord, kindly see, and more important things.
Sir, if it is correct, then
Graduate post. Thereafter, graduate post is there. He was promoted into graduate post in 2019. I was promoted to graduate post in 2013. And these are the two facts. And his appointment order, your lordship may kindly see page 77. Page 77.
but then the seniority has to be fixed as per the from the date of receipt of the graduate scale of pay.
3 years ACR, graduate scale of pay, and graduate pay, graduate post. They have taken the graduate post to be the senior most. So I'm senior most as a graduate graduate in graduate post. And your lordship will.
That
tell
is
me
as per rule
15.4.
15.
Qualification is this.
Page
37. The post of assistant headmaster of a high school and assistant superintendent of a high madrasa school. Has your lordship got it?
just wait. Post of assistant headmaster.
Headmaster, assistant headmaster post shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst graduate teachers of the same school. So graduate teachers means I am graduate teachers in 2013. He is graduate teacher in 2019. It's an admitted fact. Among the graduate teachers, madam, and they must have graduate scale of pay, ACR and all those things, but amongst the graduate teachers of the same school. So if I am the senior most in the graduate teachers, I will have the preference over any other person.
No, no. How the seniority is determined?
I mean, rule 15.3, my lord.
Huh.
This is the qualification.
Because 14 it's a provided seniority grade shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by respective assistant teacher. Huh. Then this is 15.3.
But main thing is that, my lord, it will be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst graduate teachers. So whoever is senior graduate teachers, they are to be taken into consideration. This is what the department has done. Plus, my lord, your lordship will kindly see petitioner's appointment letter, page 77. How he was appointed, your lordship may kindly see for a moment.
No, sir. I'm asking how the seniority is determined.
I mean, on the first thing itself, all the candidates amongst graduate teachers.
No. This is for the qualification and the eligibility and other thing.
Of a high school and so on. So shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst graduate teachers.
Graduate teachers. How the seniority is determined?
If I am senior to him, so I'll be counted.
No,
This is what they have counted.
what his challenge is that the seniority.
Rule 20.
Rule 24, my lord, clause 3, 4, and 5 may be relevant in my case.
That is, you are
Yes.
challenging the seniority.
Correct.
You have been made junior to him.
Absolutely, my lord.
Rule 24. Seniority. The seniority member in the cadre appointed directly from the determined amongst the order of preference in the respective list finally approved. Rule 24, what?
24, clause 3, 4, and 5 may be relevant.
The member of service in a cadre who joins the school otherwise than any district on transfer or otherwise shall be determined as per the date of joining in the school. And yes.
Clause 3 says, my lord, from the date of joining, my lord, if otherwise then direct appointment. Therefore, my lord, as my learned senior friend, with due respect, my lord, indicating my appointment letter, his appointment order, my lord, it's also is of same footing, my lord. It's purely temporary. Word has been used, my lord. Purely temporary. Same in the same. Otherwise, my lord, it must be a regular appointment. Now, clause 4 says, my lord, regarding, my lord, the graduate, other 10, my lord, in arts, science, and commerce. My lord, the respondent number 4 will fall in the category of Hindi, my lord. So that has to be considered from the date of, my lord, obtaining, my lord, requisite qualification from the recognized university, my lord. Now he has came up, my lord, B.Ed Hindi B.Ed, my lord, in the year 2013, my lord. It is enclosed, my lord, not in dispute. Now, clause 5, my lord, lordship may come down. Clause 5 says, my lord, seniority of graduate teacher, my lord, shall, my lord, counted from the date of getting, my lord, salary of graduate teacher, my lord. Now, what is graduate teacher, my lord? Lordship may kindly see graduate teacher of definition, my lord. Section clause, my lord, section 2I. Kindly see, my lord, it's my lord, it's of course, my lord, involve, my lord, deep consideration, my lord. Clause, my lord, section 2I, graduate teacher. Graduate teacher includes assistant teacher having minimum qualification of BA degree. Therefore, my lord.
So you want to produce the service?
Position, my lord. So, my lord, it is required to be clarified, my lord, who is the senior, my lord. That is only the point, my lord. As per rule 24(4), my lord, seniority, my lord, is required to be counted on the basis of the graduate post, my lord, graduate teacher. He is joining in the graduate post in 2019. He is holding the graduate post from 2013. And on that basis and on the basis of the year ACR, he was promoted to the post of assistant headmaster. That is, my lord, earlier the petitioner approached the High Court. High Court remanded back the matter to the authority, my lord. Authority passed the, my lord, speaking order to that effect. But as we have not filed the affidavit order record, as not available today, my lord, so I pray that matter can be taken up on next Tuesday.
They can file an affidavit also, it will be better.
We can file affidavit also, my lord, and can produce the record on next Tuesday also, my lord.
How you have determined the seniority?
File an affidavit will be.
Yes.
My lord, let it
After
file.
after 2 weeks.
My lord, shorted, my lord, as
2 weeks.
my lord. 1 week, my lord, may be sufficient, my lord.
1 week.
Since, my lord, 5 years.
10 days, 10 days.
5 years.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Das, learned senior counsel, assisted by, sir, Ardeka, learned counsel for respondent number 6. Which is respondent number?
7, my lord.
7. Mr. J. Chutia, learned standing counsel KAC, submits that he may be granted 10 days time to file additional affidavit clearly indicating how the seniority of both the petitioner and the respondent 7 has been determined.
My lord.
And also to produce the relevant record, Christoph.
My lord, this may be the last opportunity, otherwise I will miss the pass, my lord.
Huh?
I'm about to retire, my lord.
When? 10
This
days,
year,
10 days.
This year,
10 days.
yes. Last opportunity, my lord.
Next para. Considering that although the affidavit has been filed by the registered respondents, however, there is no clarity as regards how the seniority has been determined or as to whether the seniority has been determined in accordance with the applicable rules. Some prayer for filing, a prayer for time to file additional affidavit by state standing council is required to be granted accordingly. This matter after 10 days. In the meantime, the standing council to file the required additional affidavit and to produce the record.
My lord, that may be kindly fixed.
When you are retiring?
My lord, that may be kindly.
When you are
fixed.
retiring?
My lord, that I have instruction, but that has not been specified to me, my
But
lord.
then when?
Very soon, my lord. This year only, my lord.
This year.
Possibly.
27 to my knowledge.
This year, 1 year.
February 27.
You will just start
My
this
kindly
26.
that may be fixed, my lord.
Give that date after 10 days.
I think I done 25.
You just tell them after 10 days on. Give that date. Yes.
My lords, he's in port number 7, my lord. My colleague, Mr. Kalita, had gone there. He's coming, my lord, says. He's not coming. He's saying that he has a matter. He's not coming, my lords. We have called him several times, my lords. He's not receiving our calls as well. He just went to port number 7. I believe he may be on his legs, my lords.
He must.
He's on his leg. He's on his legs.
He's on the way. What is to be done?
Lords, tomorrow, day after, if the matter can be kept.
Tomorrow we'll fix it tomorrow. We just gets hold of him.
Yes, yes.
There's nothing issued where said they may grant 10 days time to place in SD. He has already communicated so and so.
Well, my lords have very kindly given them 3 dates. My lords will see in the order sheet. On the last date, he had shown the opinion. He was also very.
But I think he's cooperating.
He has given the opinion, my lords, to the railways.
Let us see. Tomorrow or day after?
Day after.
Day after?
Yes.
Okay.
Tomorrow I am in lords.
Since I heard Mr. So and so.
A Gautam, my lords.
A Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner. Applicant. It is submitted that by Mr. Gautam, learned counsel, that Mr. A.K. Datta, learned CGC, for the respondents, is on legs in some other court. Therefore, first for listing of the matter on 12/02/2020. Praise the Lord. List accordingly.
Much obliged.
You catch hold of him.
Certainly. Grateful.